Morning, guys. How's it going? Hold on. There you go. Pole position. Good morning, Arvind. I'll stay silent today. Martin, bro, very good morning. You got the pole position, man. Good job. You don't have to stay silent, man. Guys, come on. I like different perspectives. I like all the comments you guys make, all the questions you guys ask. Don't worry about it, man. It's all in the game. Good morning, Tamil bro. Hi. Shivlakshmi, good morning. Patel, bro. Very good to see you, man. Good morning. Great morning, bro. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Malaikum salam. Good morning. Rizwan, bro. Good morning. Chitra, hi. Redson. What is that? Cow or teddy? Sudhir, bro. I'm doing good, man. How are you? Good to see you, bro. Pashkala. Yo, hi. Hi, bro. Good morning, Josh. Today I'm on time. You are on time, bro. Glad to see that. Excuse me. Hi, good morning. Wasim, bro. Good morning, bro, from UK. Hi, man. Yo, again, which part of UK, bro? What time is it for you, man? My God, you people are just awesome. Bulls are oh, oh, okay, bro. That looked like a cow more than a bull, bro. Dr. Kumar, very good morning. Thank you for joining. Solo, bro. Always happy to see you, man. Hi, good morning. Raju, bro, good morning. Gopi, bro, hi. I'm in Leeds, bro. It's 1 a.m., bro. Yo, my my own brother actually went to Leeds University, man. I think he lived in Leeds and then went to Leeds University. He's told me that it's a beautiful place, bro. Um, that's awesome, man. Thank you for joining, bro. It's 1 a.m., man. That sucks. My God. I don't know how you guys do it. Sherry, bro. Very good morning, man. It's unfortunate that you come online only Asian session for us. Same, bro. Yeah, but unfortunately, my strategy and myself, my body works much better during Asian session. Guys, yesterday, last evening, man, you guys were, lighting the room alive, man. Wow, what trades I was looking at. Look at this. So, started from down here, you guys were actually doing very good. Um, I was looking at all the screenshots. I was very, very proud. Okay. That's number one. That'd be Ash right there. Price taps, that's the confirmation candle, the second candle actually, and then kept flying up. Okay. I'll show you in the Yeah, I was actually looking at all of these. Look, I've already marked this out. This is from prior session. This is not from yesterday. I've already had this in the chart. Look at that. Look at these zones that you guys were playing with. Man, absolutely glorious. I think Badri caught this, if I'm not wrong. She caught this low, or oh no, no, this one. You see that? That's an ash zone there, right there. So that I would have looked at, guys. Always ash first, all right? If you're getting a zone like this, okay. I did mention this in the chat yesterday. Guys, I'll come back to the chat. Don't worry. Price falls down, two candles up. This is a valid ash zone. All right. Price taps it down. Confirmation candle towards the upside, 1 is 3 hit. All right. And then what are we looking at? Next top on zone, which is this one up here. 540 AM zone, the morning zone that we got our TP from. Same zone. All right. Price taps again in this scenario, price taps both of these zones together. This had drawn when was this? On the 3rd of August. So which is great, correct? Price took it. Look, all same rules, it keeps happening again and again and again. Look at this. Price took both of these zones together. So what do? You disregard the first zone that was tapped. You only look for the second zone and the reaction from the second zone, right? Price taps. There's the confirmation candle. I'd go short there. Stop loss right above. Yeah. Looking for a 1 is 3. Perfect. Right? So this is the third one, but I'm pretty sure this might have not gone to full TP, but that was glorious. Badri got a TP, I think, here. Uh, yeah, something like that. So 1 is to 1.5, we're close to it. Yeah. But it did react from it, but not the convincing reaction that I usually look for. But this was absolutely glorious. Danny, bro, you caught this and you let it run to TP within a matter of seconds, man. Look at this one. So perfect. This is actually stop and zone. It's not ash. Okay. I drew this because I wanted to show you guys. So this is a beautiful stop and zone down here. Okay. Price comes down, taps it. That's the entry candle. Right, that's the entry candle. Stop loss right below, 100 pips below. Okay, always a buffer, people. And look at that. Danny Bro got TP within a matter of 10 minutes. I think, my God, that candle just popped off, man. Yeah. And after that, look at this high. I would not have taken this. Okay, I'm just giving you. Okay, wait, there was another zone to the left, right? Oh, yeah, this. Okay. There's this ash zone right here. Guys, everything worked out yesterday, man. You guys were freaking on fire, man. I was looking at all the screenshots and I was like, oh my God, you guys are beautiful. Look at that, Ash. Right there, man. Wow. Bro, I wish I was trading New York session, bro. What a day for you people, man. How many TPs would you guys have just caught? That's almost a 1 is 3, man. Wait, hold on. The buffer is too big. So 63.7, 64.7. Bro, that's a 1 is to 3 right there. I think Danny Bro sent this over this morning, was it? I mean, wow. Guys, it works. All you have to do is consistently keep executing. All right. Um, I'm actually very, very happy that you guys are actually learning this and executing this by yourself, even when I'm not here. Repetition is what is going to help you. All right. You guys are doing great. Any questions, never hesitate to ask me in live or send me a DM, put it in the chat, anything. All right. I'll help you guys as much as I can. But all the screenshot that you guys sent, absolutely glorious. Okay, I'm just doing a recap. I didn't take any of this. Okay, I was telling you guys what I would have been looking at and what worked out and what couldn't. All right. So, congrats, people. You guys are amazing. Keep going, man. I'm I'm so proud, bro. My God, I never thought, um, a bunch of people will actually learn with me. Okay, learn with me, not from me. You guys are learning with me. I'm learning together too. Martin Bro sent me something to this morning. I'll definitely take a look at it. I'm open to learning too. So, guys, always be curious, keep learning. That's how you get better with trading. And thank you so much for spending all your time with me because I know it's not easy to sit and watch someone for 3 hours every day. It means a lot to me. I'm just happy today, man. Um, it's the best way to start a day. Totally over the moon. All right, let's see what we can whip up today. Uh, in terms of zones, guys, I'll definitely come back to the chat. Give me 1 second. Let me mark this up so that we don't miss anything. Okay, this is a stop and zone up here. See, price drops, 2 candles up. That's it. That's all we need when it comes to stop ons. Okay, guys, always, man. 2 candles to the left, 2 candles to the right. So two reds and two greens. It doesn't have to be back to back. Okay, as long as you see a rejection or like this. You need a V-shaped recovery. Okay, I don't need 2 candles forming a consolidation zone. Nope, not like this. Okay, this I would not consider. Okay, but this beautiful. Okay, I'll make a video on that. I've been getting requests to make video on ash zones. I will do it. I've just finished what I was doing, the project that I was doing last week. I just finished it day before yesterday. So yesterday I started making shots. Today I'll make a long form video. We'll keep going. But Ash, I'm not sure when I'm going to make it. So I'll have to get through all these videos before. Okay, hold on. So last video, like I mentioned, when was the last video that I made? Where is it? This was the this was the last video I made. Okay, I have this, and all these TP videos to make before I get to Ash. Ash is way down here, man. So guys, I'm gonna pump out I think 10 more videos in terms of other things to put at in YouTube, and then I'll get to Ash. Okay, I'll definitely get to it in a point. All right. All right. So that you guys know is proper ash because price fell from up there to down here. I like that color. Yeah, that's beautiful, pleasing to watch. That's stop hunt. Okay. All right. I'm coming. I'm coming. All right. Another important thing people always look for news. 5th August. Oh, thank God. That was, it shocked me, man. I saw a red folder and I was like, oops. No, that was New Zealand news, bro. Who cares? And USD orange folder in the evening. We're good to go. All right. Always be careful, people. All right. All right. I'm coming. I'm coming. It's on for, okay. I saw that. Hello, machine. Hi, bro. Felipe. Good morning. Yeah, true, bro. Good morning to you. Hola, bro. Hi. Good morning. Shad, bro. Good morning. And all there. Yeah, man. Good morning, bro. Cromwell. Good morning, bro. From Cropate. Have a profitable day. Good morning, man. You too have a great day, my brother. Yesterday was green. That is all that matters, right? Today is a new day. We'll get it, boys and girls. Danny, good morning, bro. Vishnu, hi. Cherry, you sound like a proud father. Man, absolutely, bro, Sherry. I feel like a bloody, very, very, very proud and accomplished father right now, man. I don't even have a child, bro. Now I have 131 of you, man. You're my best friends. You're my children. You're my brothers and sisters. I don't know, bro. I love you all, man. It's good morning, bro. Have a profitable day. Delete Kumar, bro. Thank you, man. Can you explain me your strategy? Yeah, man, it's pretty straightforward. I'll also send you a link. Uh, hold on. I should be doing this, man. I should be doing so many things. Uh, sorry, I'm getting an ad when I get into my live stream. God, that's my other account, so that's not premium. Hold on. I thought of sending this to the group first. Let me do that. Because I keep forgetting, man. People in the group have to be reminded that I'm live. Sometimes people don't know the timings. It's always good to remind them. I'll do that first. There you go. And what else? Okay, you guys need the strategy link. I will give you the strategy link, all right? Pretty straightforward, people. Copy. And how do I paste? Okay, there you go. Paste. So that's the strategy, people. For those of you who are new, just click those links. Pretty simple, straightforward things. Just watch it for a couple of seconds. Sorry, few seconds. I think 30 to 50 seconds. All right. Where did I? Okay. Yesterday, your stop one was like Rajinikanth said, whatever it touched, it turned into gold. For tail, bro. Yeah, man. Yesterday, my best friend calls me and he goes, bro, why are we not doing London and New York, man? People are printing money, bro. Bro, I was so happy, man. We are having a laugh. Good morning, Mohammed, bro. Hi. Hey there. Ranjit, bro. Welcome, man. You made it in time today, bro. I'm happy for you. That's awesome. Tech trading. Good morning. Delchin, bro. Hi. Good morning. Rahim, bro. Good morning, brother. Sacrificing my nights and waking up with all those nights are actually paying off. There we go, brother. You're learning, man. As long as we're learning, people, Danny, bro, trust me, man. One day, all the sacrifices that you do will be worth it, man. One day, bro. Not today, maybe not tomorrow, Danny, bro. One day, you'll be proud that you did it. And you look back at it and think, my God, I've made it through it. Now I'm standing where I exactly wanted to be 5 years ago. Bro, it's gonna be worth it, my brother. Keep going, man. You got this, bro. But because, excuse me, waking up and trying to learn something is very hard to do, man. Hats off to you, my brother. There we go. Brother, my first account is in a really bad shape. I've already lost half the capital. Please help me out. Rahim, bro, listen. If I've I'm in the second phase, I'm down 50% in drawdown. I've been here for the last week and a half, I think. I've been getting hit in my face. But listen, bro. It's your fight back that matters. It's okay that you're down. If you quit, that's when you lose, okay? You're still in the fight. Make sure if you were risking 0.4% before, cut that risk into half. If you guys always remember, if you're on 50% drawdown, you cut your risk into half so you'll have more trades. As long as you have a strong strategy, you just keep going, okay? That's what I've been doing. Might not have been the right timing for me to do it because so many TPs. But listen, eventually we'll get there, right? Have the patience, have the persistence to keep going. Rahim, bro, oh my God, excuse me, sorry. You'll do it, man. Rahim, bro, you got this, bro. I got drenched in the rain last night. Excuse me. It was raining last night when I was going downstairs. Man, I got drenched. Three. Okay. All right, guys. You see this? That's the most recent ash zone. Can someone tell me why? Let's see you guys are getting to this, okay? That's ash right there. Please tell me why, man. Why am I drawing that? Good morning, bro. Yes, my routine is back on my track. Ranjit, bro, that's good, man. It's a marathon, not a 100 meters dash. Frankie, bro, 100% right, my brother. 2G, 2R. Yeah, two greens and two reds. You got it, bro, Ranjit, bro. Perfect. See, as Ranjit, bro, said, what he's looking at, two greens, two reds. Do you see that small V? Ash. All right. Do you use broadband or VPS for trading? Broadband or what is VPS again? I have fiber cable. Is that what you're asking, John Bro? I mean, I don't know what VPS means. I know what broadband is. Good morning, Crystal Shadow Bro. Hi. Two up, two down, and a V shape. Perfect. Nanny Bro, you got it, man. You guys have it. That's it. That's what we're waiting for. If that gets hit, man, we are looking for a setup, okay? Guys, when you make trading simple, your life will get a lot easier. Okay? No complications. Even if it's in downtrend, if it's an uptrend, don't worry about all that stuff. Just keep executing. Okay? As long as you have your strategy and the conferences that go with it, keep doing it. Why don't you keep the last five candles in the top right corner? This one? Oh, last five things. Here there was something. Oh my God, why is it like half-ass right here, man? Hold on. There's something up there, my brother. That's why I'm not keeping it there. Hold on. So this is supposed to be our live TPs and stop losses that we hit. I'm supposed to do sit-ups and push-ups. That's why it's in the right corner. Hold on. Guys, it's your job to remind me, man. If I'm missing my sit-ups and push-ups, please remind me. Sometimes I do miss it. So guys, in this case, both of these ash zones are taken together. All right. As usual, we forget about the last one. All right. We only care about the most recent one. Now what happens to the next candle that closes after this one is what we're worried about. Okay. Always. First is the tapping candle. This one right here, the 545, the candle that's happening right now is the tapping candle. We're only worried about the next one. Okay. I don't care if this is a body closing candle, a wick closing candle. Nope. We don't have to worry about all that. All we care about is, has this candle taken the zone? Has it tapped it? Either towards the upside or towards the downside, if it's a low. All right. That's it. So this one has been tapped. I will be looking for setups from here. Hopefully, like yesterday, we'll catch the first trade as TP. That's the best way to start the day. I mean, let's see. Let's see. All right. Good morning, bro. What does ASH stand for? Acronym. Bro, ASH is aggressive stop hunts. So these are stop hunt zones, which are bigger reversal zones. ASH is just shorter reversal zones. That's it. And just change the color for live timing text. Okay. Oh, that's a good idea, actually. What do you want to put it at? Green? That doesn't look good. It'd be nice if it's organized. I like it, bro. Danny? I'm sorry, Frankie, bro. Different colors. Okay, what do I put? That? Yeah, that should be good, right? Oh, I like that. Do you like that? Blue? I know. See, that should be there. I like to be organized, so let me copy that and paste it properly. That should be pips. Okay, that makes sense, doesn't it? Would be nice to see if organized. Bro, if you say my chart is messy, bro, bro, yo, I've seen charts like completely messed up. My God, man. This, I feel it's not as bad, maybe. XAUUSD is same as comics, bro. Shadow man, this is futures. It's pretty same, it's pretty similar, but sometimes you get different reactions when price gets to a high and a low. Sometimes the futures chart will go through a high and the spot chart wouldn't. And sometimes the spot would take a high, futures wouldn't. But from my backtesting and from my experience, for me, actually, futures chart works better. That's why I keep it. The confirmations are actually uh, better with this, very clear cut. So that's why I use this, man. Guys, 2.5 minutes, almost 2.5 minutes for this candle to close. So I'm going to lock in here. I'll come back to your comments. Let's execute this trade and then I'll hop back onto the comment chat box. All right, I'm going to focus here. So as you guys see, this is not something that I want when it comes to a reaction after taking a zone. I want a very valid reaction, either towards the upside, a strong one, or towards the downside. Again, very valid reactions. All right. Okay. So as you guys know, now I've switched back to spot chart. Don't be alarmed, people. I look for my setups and I draw out everything in futures. I execute those setups in the spot chart. Okay. So if the if the candle closes as is right now, I'm going to take a long here. All right. See, that's a beautiful green candle towards the upside. The ash zone has been taken. All right. See this? Ash zone has been violated. Actually, both of the ash zones has been taken. If that's a green without going to this high, which is way up there, so I doubt it. Yeah, without going there, man, I'm taking this. All right. All right. Focus. 1.5 minutes left. Let's get this going. I actually love this candle, man. What a reaction. And I'm going to be very vigilant on 323s and 313s. I'm not missing another 313 or a 323. Okay, hold on. Let me put all the alerts. You guys are looking at this, right? See, I'm starting all the alerts that I have. So these are the so active, 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 active. Yesterday, bro, the alerts let me down, man. I actually was talking to you people. Okay, hold. Sorry. There you go. And forgot that. All right. 51 seconds. Let's go. Sorry. Stop hunt. Reset points. Entry candle. Stop loss goes above. Sorry. Stop loss goes below the tapping candle. Okay. 100 pips below the tapping candle. All right. Whatever that is. So if I'm risking $50 right now, if the candle closes the next 33 seconds, I'll have to risk 0.07 lots. All right. Excuse me. Got it. 16 seconds, people. All right. You guys ready? If the candle closes as is, I'm going in. Okay. 3 seconds. I'm in. I'm in longs, people. 71.335. 70.35. Sorry, I'm just putting my stop loss in my terminal. Give me 1 second. There you go. TP would be 160. 5. All right, let's see. Like today, like yesterday, we'll get another TP in the first trade. Let's see. Let's see. So that's entry. That is stop loss as usual. All right. Looking for a 1:3. Where it is, yeah, right there is 1:3. We don't need this anymore. Oops. Sayonara. There's the entry, guys. All right. That's stop loss right there. And what do we have here? TP is up there. Okay. I'm in. Efficient. All right. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Almost. Again, there's two more confirmations I look for. Secret. All right. Stop and zone. Breach. Next candle is the confirmation candle. I got both of my confirmations that I look for. Entered it. Stop loss 100 pips below the breaking candle. All right. The breaking candle again is the one that you put your stop loss. If you're looking for a short, your stop loss is going above 100 pips of the breaking candle. Looking for a long, below 100 pips. Okay. So this was the breaking candle right here, which is 545. 100 pips below that went to stop loss. That's it. Okay. Now, whatever happens to this trade is up to trading gods. Okay. We've executed it. Our job is done. Right now, we'll be patient. We'll be patient. We'll watch this. Whatever happens, happens. Okay. I hope that's clear. Pretty simple and straightforward. No magic to it. If you if you guys complicate it way too much, yeah, I do look for two more confirmations when it comes to these strategies in terms of entries. But other than that, man, I've given you 99% of all I have. All right. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's see what happens here. Is virtual private server. Oh, VP. Oh, Sundar, bro, I didn't know that, man. I don't have a virtual private server or VPN or things like that. It's just my fiber cable, bro. I'm just trading funding pips, right? So I don't have to have anything quick or something like that. Are you a futures trader? No, sir. I actually do CFDs. If I'm not wrong. I'm doing funding pips, so it's spot. What is TP? It's right there on the screen, brother. 1:3s, guys. I don't look for anything else. I only look for 1:3s. If we have 1:3s, that's all. That's all there is to it. Okay. I don't complicate my trades. I'm not looking for structure to the left. What could be in the right? Nothing, people. It's just plain and simple. I need a 1:3. If that is met with this strategy, uh, that's all there is to it. All right. For God's sake, there's another 3 on 3 on the screen. Why? Why not, man? Why? Fuck. Again, I didn't get any alert, bro. This is messed up, man. I freaking hate this. God six. Guys, that's a 3 on 3 right there. That's an entry. I have to hop on another trade here. Oh my God, it's leaving me, man. Fuck's sake. 0.2. God. Bro, there you go. That's 3 on 3 right there, boys and girls. I'm at this point, I'm getting pissed with TradingView, man. I'm very pissed with TradingView because that should not happen. That should never happen. If I get an alert, I should get it, bro. That's the entry right there for 3 on 3. Frick's sake. 76.10, 75. My stop loss became too big, man. Damn. Can you guys see that? That's 3 on 3 right there. My stop loss became too big. And it's supposed to be 50. Now it's sitting at 64, bro. I got a very bad fill on that one. Actually, it's supposed to be freaking 25. All right. It is what it is. That's what I'm talking about. That's the zone. The zone got tapped. That's the entry. All right, I'm in this though. I don't want to miss another 313 for God's sakes. I got a bad fill, but that should have been the entry, guys. That's the stop loss. Excuse me. All right. So that's another 3 on 3 trade in the same direction. So I can take it. Let's see how far this one runs. Either way, guys, I'm in two trades, man. All right. 3, 1, 3. I'm glad that I caught it somewhere, somehow. God's sakes. You see this? You see that 3 on 3 indicator right there? Can you see this? 3, 1, 3. That's the indicator. I should have. Look at all these. Look at all those, man. I almost missed that, bro. Yeah, I got a bad fill, but I'm happy that we caught it. Now, now again, both of my entries is on the same direction in the same area. I'm happy, boys and girls. Let's see if this day goes our way. All right, two trades in. Okay, let's see. We're gonna be patient. Let's see what happens today. I don't know. I don't know whatever direction I take a trade, it fucking reverses on me. I didn't. It's not me swearing. It's someone else. I just read it by mistake. GK trade, bro. It doesn't matter the direction, man. It what matters is the strategy, bro. As long as your strategy is sound, bro, you don't have to worry about all that, right? How to control your mind to believe on our strategy. Alan, good question. How to control your mind to believe in your strategy? You'll only trust your strategy if you've done backtesting. Backtesting, guys, is the secret. Okay, that's something that most of you guys don't do. You disagree with. You put off because it's tough to do. Guys, backtesting is the one and only thing that's gonna give you a lot of confidence. If you don't backtest your strategies, you don't know what the data is for the last year or even last 2 years. You won't get the confidence that you need in order to execute your strategy without blinking. Okay. That's the secret, people. Backtest your strategy for at least a year, have the data, look at the data, make your brain read the data every single day so that your subconscious knows, oh my God, my strategy will work in the long run. All I have to do is keep executing. Once your brain knows that, okay, it's going to work in the long run at least, you're going to keep executing. Okay. That's what that matters. So, guys, you have to backtest your strategies, get the confidence from the backtests, and I think you guys will do great, man. Um, that's the secret, bro. Can you share the script of the lot size calculator indicator? Bro, that indicator, I've kept it for the course, man. The 303 indicator, I've given it out for free. That one has to be kept for the course because my best friend was like, bro, it took me a lot of time to code that in. It wasn't easy because the price was moving, right? That indicator should calculate the lot size when the price is moving. So it wasn't easy. It was actually complicated to do. He was like, bro, please don't give it out for free. It's not mine. I'm going to take it, you know, I'm going to take his request and give it with the course and not for free. I hope you guys understand. All right, hold on. It's sell now. Sure, bro. If your strategy says it's a sell, man. My strategy says it's a buy. Actually, both of my strategies says it's a buy. I'm in the trade, man. TP or stop loss, it's a part of the game, right? Bro, I have a request. Sundar, bro, go ahead, man. Don't be shy. Good morning. Shaker, bro. Hi. Good morning. Let's see, guys. That's a beautiful start to the day. Come on, man. If we're getting two TPs in a trot, bro, I'm celebrating, bro. I cannot trade the first hour of opening session. Why is that? My scalping strategy works perfectly, but I don't know what takes so many decisions to get into multiple times a day. GK trade, bro, have fixed rules, man. Either limit the number of trades you take for the day, or have very strict rules in terms, excuse me, in terms of your entry. So strict rules when it comes to your strategy actually helps you a lot better, my brother. Hi, this side Azam from Pakistan, currently from Spain, during trading with you for 4 days. So this 3 and 3 strategy works in London, New York too. Bro, I've seen it work much better in Tokyo. That's why I execute in Tokyo. You guys are more than welcome to actually backtest it after you know what the confluences are, because 3 on 3 has the secret confluence to it. Without that confluence, I don't think this thing will work for you, man. Even with the indicator that I sent you guys in, sorry, let me just move things around. Yeah, the indicator that you guys see in the Start Adventures tab, again, guys, disclaimer, that's an indicator that shows you where the 3 on 3 and 3 to 3 are. That doesn't give you, okay, if it's valid or not, okay? There are confluences to it. Again, you got to be very careful on that, all right? But the stop hunt, man, go ahead, bro. It's beautiful, man. You can actually learn it, apply it. There's just two confluence that you're missing, but it should work pretty well. All right. Okay. Good morning, all. Snap is also long for 68 happy days. Snap is also long. Happy days too. With the year of Claude, coding is no job anymore. Yeah, man. You guys are more than welcome to code it in. I have mine. Yeah. Good morning, bro. Nidhi, hi. Bro, man, you watched Spider-Man twice, bro. I'm jealous of you, man. I'm still waiting to watch it. But this weekend I'm going to do it. My best friend is coming to Chennai. I'll be doing Trump dance when he gets here. I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna watch the movie with him. Uh, I've done backtesting and I've been observing for over a year, but when I execute the trade, I just get out when I see a little rejection, like one coming right now. But when I see it after going in my way, Alan, bro, you just need the confidence, man. I think you're just worried about failures. If you worried about that, man, you it's gonna be very hard for you, bro. You shouldn't be, man, trade, take so many trades so that your brain goes, yeah, Arvind or Alan knows what a stop loss is. He's taken plenty of it and he doesn't care anymore. You should get to a point where stop loss doesn't bother you. For you, stop loss is just a cup of tea. You've done so many trades that stop loss right now is a part of it. You'll snap out of it, brother. Take small, don't use your capital for this. Take a 5K account, maybe risk 0.2% and keep doing your strategy, man. Keep executing. Don't worry about, taking stop losses because it's a small account. The only money they'll be losing is what, $30, $35? That's fine. The only way you can train yourself to take stop losses is by keep doing it every single day, like clockwork. Your brain at one point will go, yeah, we have done this 1,000 times. Yeah, he's going to take it either way. When that shift happens in your brain, for me, zero emotions with this. Okay. Yeah, I messed up on the entry. I should have just risked 50. Now it's 68 on that 3 on 3 trade. It's my fault. It's fine. Other than that, my brain is not thinking about, oh my God, am I going to get a TP or a stop loss here? I don't care, bro. At the end of the day, guys, you got to train yourself. Your psychology is set in such a way that you will have fear when price moves against you, and you will have fear when it moves towards your stop loss. Okay, and you will have a lot of greed when price is going towards your TP, and you're like, can I get out? Should I get out? What if price reverses against me? It's normal. Okay, acknowledge the fact that that's a normal reaction, and your job is to say that's what a normal person will think, but I'm a trader. I don't give a f. Whatever happens in a trade, I'm going to be here either way. I'm going to be doing this for the long term. I'm going to keep executing and then listen to what your brain is going to say. It's going to be like, after a while, it's going to be like, yeah, he's going to do it either way. Let's just shut the F up and it's fine. Okay. Until you get to that point, bro, get smaller accounts. Don't blow your personal accounts, guys. Don't blow all your money. Don't put your money into the river. It's gonna sail away from you, all right? It's fine. It's okay to make mistakes. When you realize it, if you realize it, correct those mistakes. Keep doing the right things. Eventually, eventually you'll have peace. Right now, I'm in peace. Okay. I don't care about this anymore. Stop losses doesn't bother me. Take profits doesn't excite me how it used to, 2 years ago. It's all a part of it. Okay. Once you get to that area, man, you'll be like, okay, it's okay. It's gonna happen someday. When you have that mindset, you'll get better, man. Don't worry. All right. I'll come to all the comments. Don't worry. How do we place the sell for 3 on 3 strategy, bro? It's below the supply, man. Whatever the supply is, as you can see, there are two trades there. So that's why you're seeing that. So for 3 on 3 trades, guys, hold on, let me show you. So this is 3 on 3, right? 3, 1, 3. Okay. That's the red candle is the supply. Am I right? The red candle is the supply. It's either below the supply candle if it's the bottom, okay? In this case, people, careful. In this case, the stop loss will go below this candle because this next candle after supply was lower than the supply candle actually. So I'm going to keep my stop loss 40 pips below this. That's the buffer I'm going to give for price to breathe. Okay. Yeah, we got the entry here. Price has gone up to a 1 is to, I think 1.5 or 1 is to 2. That's fine. But the stop loss should always have a buffer. Never go in without a buffer because price, guys, is not perfect. Okay. Every entry is not perfect. Every stop loss shouldn't be perfect. You should give some room for price to breathe. As long as price has that, man, you'll be good, bro. So always below the breaking candle or below the supply candle. 3 on 3 goes below supply candle and stop hunt goes below breaking candle. In stop hunt, I keep a 100 pip buffer, but here, man, in 3 on 3, I only keep a 40 pip buffer because I need very, very, very good entries. So sniper entries for that matter. When you have that, it's good to become profitable with that strategy because smaller the stop loss, much better the entry. Much better the entry, the more risk to reward you're going to get if this trades runs all day. Guys, you guys know this. 3 on 3, I'm not going to take it off if it is alive for the whole day, at least for the whole session. I mean, until 12:29, I'm going to keep that trade. Okay. If that's alive without taking a stop loss or after going to a 1 is to 8, I'm going to put it in break even. If those conditions are met, I'm going to let it run until 12:29. That's the last minute of Tokyo session. I've seen trades run to 1 is to 25. I've seen trades run to a 1 is to 4 in all that time. So I'm okay with either. As long as it's positive, I'm going to take it because that's how you catch whales. With 3 on 3, I need whales. With stop hunt, I just need 1 is to 3. I'm very, very fit on my rules. Get that? All right. Going back to the comments. Too many comments. Good questions, guys. Good comments. Good suggestions. I love it, man. As usual. All right. My wife and son will be asleep until 6:30 a.m. I'm asking if you can add subtitles. That way I can mute my PC and still follow along. Sundar, bro, valid request, man. Valid request. I have no clue how to add subtitles in my live streams, my brother. Yo, for your sake, man, I'll figure it out, bro. Don't you have a headset, man? Just plug your headset in, man. I, I don't know, bro. Bro, give my some tips on backtesting. Is it like we take trades as normal, record them, and when your strategy appears, you take a trade anyway? Please explain. Darshan, bro, when you're backtesting, man, don't overcomplicate it. Okay. Have the confluences, have the set of rules. You don't have to do the replay mode if you don't have it. Guys, not everyone has premium and replay mode and all that stuff. All you have to do is go back, look at the data, whichever trade shows up first, take it. For me, I don't do it fancy, man. You guys want to see my backtesting data, bro? I keep it very, very simple. Hold on. Not that. Hold on. Notes. Where is it? Backtesting. Listen, guys. Wait. Look at how much backtesting I've done over the last 8 months. This is last 8 months, okay? This is all data, bro. This is all data. So look at all these. These are all data. Different strategies, different datas. I think last year, maybe more than a year. But this is how much it's going to take for you guys to figure out a strategy, trust a strategy. I'm still going. I'm still going. I'll still keep going. Okay? Hold on. Yeah, finally we got there. Bro, this is all I do, man. Okay? If I see a trade, bro, this is all I do, okay? Let's say, for example, I'm backtesting August, all right? This is backtest for this is Ash backtest. Can you guys see this? Aggressive stop on Ash. Okay, this is the backtesting data for that strategy. I'm going to show it to you. All right. So I'll put something like this. I'll put March. I'll put TP. Sorry. I'll put TP, SL, and total. That's it. These are the only three things I'm worried about when it comes to a month. Okay. So let's say, for example, in March, I'm getting TPs, right? I'll just put a one. If I see a TP in the backtest, I'll put a one next to it. Um, I'll do it in the Roman way, all right? Just once, ones and zeros, not even zeros, just once. Okay? If I see a TP, I put a one. If I see a stop loss, I go to stop loss and put a one. I keep doing it, and at the end, if I have like something like this, I just copy paste this and put it to Chat GPT. It'll give me how many ones there is, all right? Keep it simple. All you need is all I'm looking for is, am I following the rules? Does that trade have a confluence? And am I only taking the first two trades that come through? That's it. Okay. So see, in March, I took 13 take profits, 19 stop losses in the backtesting. Again, backtesting. And for the total, every TP is a 1 is to 3, right? 1 is to 3. Simple. So 1 is to 3, 13 into 3. That'll give me the risk to reward for the TPs minus 19, which is the stop losses, which will give me the total RR for the month, which is 20, plus 20 for that month. February plus 7. Jan plus 20. December 7. November 20. October 26. All the way down to June 36 risk to reward. If I'm risking 100, I'm getting $3,600 for that month. April, $4,200 if I'm only risking 100. So, guys, when it comes to backtesting, do not complicate it. Don't have 100 datas there. Starting price, ending price, screenshots, you know, buy or sell. You know, you'll make it a much harder process than it has to be, man. Don't do all that stuff. Keep it simple. No, all that matters is, are you following your rules? Is the data profitable for you to keep following the rules? If that's the case, do it. Right? Guys, you're not gonna get a strategy which has a 90% win rate. You're not gonna get it. Take that into your brain. All you need is a strategy with 50% win rate with a 1 is to 3 risk to reward. That's it. 50%, 1 is to 3. If you have these, man, you're making $1 million next year. That's it. In the next 24 months, 12 to 24 months, you'll make $1 million. I'm saying this because if you get that, pass an account, get multiple accounts like how Badri is doing right now. Proud of you, Badri. If you're watching this, absolutely proud of you. You like my little sister, you're amazing. Or maybe elder sister, whatever it is. But you're amazing. This is the procedure. Bro, when I actually made a little money with BTC, I was dumb enough to invest in a car. That is a usual kid from lower middle class. That's how a lower kid. That's how a lower God, I'm loading here. That's how a lower middle class kid would think. Guys, I made some money. I'm gonna buy a car, my dream car. I bought it, man. I was stupid enough to do it. Don't do it. When you get a good chunk of money, I was amazed with Badri because she did the right thing. She got a decent payout. She got some money for reserve. She invested the rest of the money into other accounts. Okay, that's the procedure, guys. Get a payout. Keep some money for backup. Half of the money you reinvest into other accounts so that now you have, instead of $100,000, now you have $500,000 in funding. With that, let's say if you get a 10% return in the next 2 months, for example, bro, that's $50,000. That's life changing money. But if you buy a car, man, like me, dumb, dumb. But this was 2 years, 3 years ago. So I like to think that I'm a little smarter now with all this experience, but I was dumb enough to buy a GT. Okay, it's standing in my driveway, bro. The amount of money that I've spent in the last 3 years for it, I could have bought at least $2 million worth of funding with prop firms. $2 million worth of funding, maybe more than that, way more than that. So my point is, invest in other accounts, slowly grow. If you have 50% win rate with the 1:3, you're a millionaire, man. That's what I'm trying to say. Don't buy shiny things initially. Okay? Guys, go ahead and buy it. That's not an issue. Don't do it as soon as you see some profit. Okay? That's what I'm trying to say. As soon as you see it, don't do it. But reinvest it. Whatever you make out of that reinvestment, use it. Okay? As long as you have that reinvestment set in, as long as paychecks keep coming in, then go buy a Ferrari if you have to, if you want to. All right? Only then, though. Okay? Reinvest the money. Be smart about your money. Don't just blow it away like me. I didn't know all this, guys. I learned it the hard way, man. I'm trying to teach you the right way because there's no right or wrong way until you understand the logic behind it. Once you understand the logic, then it becomes a wrong route, right? Don't do it. I hope you guys don't do the mistake that I've made. That's why I keep reiterating the fact that this is the wrong way to do it. Get the right mindset. You'll get there, people. You'll get there, man. Guys, listen, 219 people here. Keep doing the right things. Listen to the right people. Read the right books. Okay. Work on yourself. Someday, one day, which will come pretty soon, you'll be freaking proud of yourself, man. Your family is gonna be in awe. Your friends will be like, the ones who told you not to do it, the ones who said you're gonna fail, will come to you and when will be like, Bro Arvind, you got lucky, man. Bro Danny, you got lucky, man. Badri, 100% luck. I know that. But all the best. You made it. Okay, I see that. They'll acknowledge the fact. Someday it'll happen. But when that day happens, don't tell them the struggles. Do not tell them how much you struggled throughout the last 5 years, last 10 years. Don't do it because they're not going to understand. Okay. They'll be like, whatever. To people who've not walked through the path that you have, don't tell them your story, man. Guys, I like to tell my story to you people because most of you people are walking my walk. Okay. Most of you people are trying to make it in trading. I'm okay to tell my story to you, but I'm not telling my story to all the people on the street and all my family. No, they won't understand the struggle. They won't understand, yeah, he's playing a game, it's trading, yeah, it's gambling. Nah, the person who hasn't been to where you've been, who hasn't done what you've done, they're not going to understand jack shit. Sorry for the language, but don't do it. Don't waste your energy. They're going to shrug it off and be like, yeah, he's boasting right now. No, they won't understand your struggles. If I tell my 10-year story to people, 98% of the people won't understand. Man, the struggles I've had, abroad, the struggles I'm having right now in my homeland, trying to figure this out, they're not going to understand because they'll think that, yeah, whatever, man, he's doing whatever he's doing. He got a car, he got an Apple laptop, he has a phone, he's doing good. All he's saying is stories, bro. But to get all this, what have I done? What am I doing? What am I willing to do? Those are all the things that these people don't understand. So, guys, if you want to vent, if you want to talk about the struggles, the successes, the negatives, do it in the community. Okay. These people, the 400 people right now in Discord, they will understand, at least majority of them, all right? Because they're going through the same thing that you are. I will understand because I've gone through the same thing. I'm still going through it. But random people, man, don't do it, bro. God, man. Guys, so many comments I have to get back to, man. Yeah, man, I'm from Chennai, bro. Um, Today's news, I didn't see any news, my brother. I think your eyes zone in between external range. Sorry. I think your eyes zone is like stop on between internal range and external range. Yes. These are zones in between. Um, Pretty good zones, actually. Um, I thought you're waiting to watch it with your wife. Jayashree, oh, we completely forgot about her, man. After I saw your message, Jayashree, I was like, I should be watching that with my wife, right? Listen, She went to Jananayagam. It's Vijay Talapathi's movie. She went to that movie alone without me. I'm not saying I should watch Spider-Man alone. Actually, don't get me wrong, but maybe I'll just watch it with her second time. Okay, I will watch it with her. Don't worry. But I can in the first hour of the opening session. Why, bro? I don't understand why you can't trade in the first hour, man. I'm still like trying to understand. How do you identify and draw ash zones, bro? Smaller zones. I'll make a video on it. Don't worry. Sorry, guys. I'm getting back to the comments. How long have you been trading part time and professionally? Part time, I did it for 3 years. Uh, actually, yeah, almost 3 years. A little more maybe. Full time, almost 3 years now. So, and I've been reading that for 3 years prior to that, 4 years prior to that. So, 9 years journey, people. So, G, have you been backtesting? We are luck that you have done it. We are getting the fruit. Thank you for all. Patel, bro, you're welcome, man. Yes, anything that I've done, everything that I'm doing right now, I'll test it myself. I'm the guinea pig, as usual. I'll give it to you, okay? You're welcome. Do you wait for the price to come back to the red supply candles and then enter, or when 313 shows up, enter on the next candle? So it depends upon how the 313 is set up. If the 313 is very close to the supply, okay, the ending candle, I don't wait for it because I usually enter with a buffer, right? So if I have it within the buffer, so I usually have a 400 pip buffer, right? If the price right now, after creating the 3 on 3, if price closes above supply and if it's sitting right there, I enter. If the price has gone above, way above the 400 pip mark, I wait for price to come back to my entry area and then enter. Okay? I wait for things to happen. It depends on how the setup is. In this case, it wasn't way up there, right? It didn't go like 1,000 pips up and then come back to 400 ticks. Sorry, pips. So it was right there. So I entered. I got a very bad fill because I've been missing 313s lately. I don't want to miss anymore. I'm freaking pissed when I miss things. Right now, I'm happy. I'm a happy trader right here. All right. Appreciate. Thanks, man. Looking forward to trade with you because our strategies just somehow overlap. And bro, as long as it does, man, guys, you don't have to take up my strategy, man. If you already have a strategy, if you're just here for, advice, if you're just here to vent, if you're just here for the positive energy, whatever it may be, just be here. You don't have to just copy me and learn from me as far as my strategy is concerned. Guys, you and I may be in the same journey, different parts of the journey, but we're all in the same journey, man. So don't worry. As long as you understand the psychology behind trading, you guys don't have to follow my strategy. If it coincides, that's amazing. Bro, your group, please join me. Man, it's a Discord that I have, man. It's free to join. It's not invite only Discord. The link is in the description. Go ahead and join it, bro. Can we re-enter, guys? I leave it up to you. 6:30 is coming. Yeah, bro. 2 more minutes for 6:30. Poverty mindset. There we go. Dr. Kumar sir, yeah, man. Listen, I was ignorant. I didn't know what to do with the money that I was making with BTC. That's why I bought the car. Man, I'm very happy that I did because that pushed me even more. So, for people who piss away all their money, sorry for the language again, into meaningless shit, again, my God, sorry, people, language, Arvind. So, they buy meaningless things when they make money right out of the gate. I did the same thing, but for me, my car inspires me every single day, man. That's something that was a dream of mine since yay big. My grandma used to say, Arvind, the moment you started opening your mouth, you were talking, grandma, that car, grandma, this car, grandma, that car. You used to keep showing cars and you love cars from this big, maybe 1.5, 2 years old. Guys, I'm a car fanatic. I love cars. And once I got the money myself, that's not my dad's money. I earned my own money. Once I got my own money, a considerable sum of it, I was like, I need that dream. Okay. I was stupid enough to get it at that point because I should have reinvested all that money. But man, that was a dream. I got it. That dream today inspires me. For the last 3 years, that's the dream. I look at my car every day and think, we have already done it. We're going to do it again. Maybe it'll take longer now that we don't have the money that we already have, but I'm definitely going to do it more than that. Okay. I have my next dream car lined up, but I'm not going to do the same mistake. Guys, 6:30 is here. That's a good reaction towards the outside. So, guys, As long as you realize your mistakes and you keep going, man, my dreams push me forward, guys. I mean, it's good. All right. Which car you bought, sir? I got a GT, man. That was a big dream of mine. Sorry, that's my baby right here, boys and girls. Not to boast or anything. Don't get me wrong. Again, I was asked the question. I'm showing the question. Red color. I saw it randomly on a street one day while I was driving. So while my brother was driving me in a TVS XL, I'm not sure if you guys understand what bike that is. It's it was his father's bike. I was randomly going down the street. I saw the headlight. I didn't. They just launched that car. I think 4 years ago. 3 years ago. I saw the headlight of the car. I completely was mind blown by how amazing that looked. I turned back to see what car that was. I only saw the Volkswagen logo. That second, I knew that's what I was gonna get. But at that point, I didn't have any money, bro. I was broke as hell. What? 630? Come on, don't be mean. For God's sakes, you were doing good, right? I saw that car and I was like, yes, man, that's what I'm gonna get. And when I got the money, I got it, bro. Amazing, bro. You're in the trade running. Please maintain screen. Okay, I will do it. I'll do it. The Richest Man in Babylon. I'm a famous personal finance book by George. Yes, I've read it twice. The Richest Man in Babylon. Even after reading it twice, I was dumb enough to buy the car. Ah, bro, getting emotional just hearing it. The struggle is truly there. Yeah, bro. Thank you, man. Bro, how much you risk with 3 on 3, 50 or 25? I should be right now risking 25, but since I was emotional, I was pissed that I missed it. I actually risked more. I risked 50 with the spread. Now it's at 66. Ugh. Bad entry, people. Don't do it. Guys, I'm getting back to the comments, man. Don't worry. Happy evening to you. Happy morning in India. Hi. Very good morning. Even my father criticized me, saying that you're doing gambling, you will lose your savings, blah, blah. This is very frustrating and sad to hear. Guys, normal people that people have only heard that trading is gambling. Trading is like back in the day, it was like gambling, right? People didn't understand what trading was, and it could be done in a controlled manner rather than just putting it like a horse race, right? People didn't understand that. That's fine. You don't, bro, listen, bro, don't have to try to convince your father. He's not going to change. I'm pretty sure because people have been conditioned for 30, 40 years saying that it's like lottery. You're not going to win. Don't lose all your money. But if you learn it the right way, do it with the right risk and with the right mindset, you'll make it, man. Right now, guys, I don't care about this, man. Right now, yeah, I'm going to take a 60 pip stop loss if it gets to my stop loss, which is right here. Zero emotions, as always. Totally agree, bro. That's what I'm facing on. But deep down, I know that deep down, I know what I'm doing, what I'm planning to do in the long run. I know I can do it. Danny, that's it, my brother. That's it. Exactly, man. Guys, you don't have to convince anyone as long as you know exactly what you're doing, exactly where you're going. You're going to go there, bro. All you have to do is do all the hard work that's required in order to get there, right? As long as you're working towards it, you'll get there, my boys and girls. I'm very proud of you people. Just reminding push ups. Sure, when it gets to either ones, I'll do it, okay? What's your live timing? My live timing is down here, man. Sorry, why? Oh, it's a different thing. Okay, I'll change the color for this so that right there, people. My live timings is down there, right? What's your core logic for 3 and 3? It's in the linked video, bro. Just take a look at it. It's very simple, man. Thanks. If the price or candle close by then enter. If you go up 3, 4 candles, wait for it to come back. Exactly. Exactly. That's how it's done. I am Anko from Toronto, Canada. You are good. Anko, nice to meet you, bro. Toronto? Where in Toronto, man? I love it when Canadian people come in, bro. People who live in Canada. So many memories there, bro. Gold sell. I'm gonna buy, boys. Couple of buys, actually. Thank you for considering your language. Some of us are grandmas. I'm very respectful of other people I usually don't swear, but when I get emotional and when I get passionate, sometimes it just slips. So apologies if I've slipped a couple there. Next will be GT, but Nissan. Next will be GLS 63, bro. GLS 63 AMG. That's the next car, man. Guys, always dream. Have your dreams very close to your. That's the next car. I need it. So that's a seventh seater because that's I want my family to travel in the same car, but that's a GT. I mean, GT version of Benz. That's AMG. That's the dream, people. That's the dream right there. That'll be my next car. But guys, long way. I'm saying, I hope my mother doesn't see this. She'll be like, don't tell people your dreams. Don't talk about them in public. You should have it within you, store it within you, get it, and then show people. Don't talk about it. I mean, she might be right, but I'm a loudmouth. Sorry. I love to, guys. The thing about dreams is once you have the balls, God, sorry, again, once you have the guts to say it out loud, once you have it down in a paper or your vision board, man, me and we had a good conversation. I think Dr. Kumar, Sherry, and I, we had a great conversation. Yesterday, was it? Or day before yesterday? Once you guys have it down, once you know where the hell you're going, you'll get there. Yeah, the destination might be longer. The time, you don't know when it's going to happen. Once you have that, people, man, buying a car from my own pocket was a dream. Like I got it. Okay. Now I'm in the process of settling my family, which I'll do eventually. And these are the things that I'm showing you right now. These are dreams, man. These should be dreams because that's going to cost a hell lot of money in India. I'm not showing this because, you know, you got to be jealous, something like that. Don't take this wrong in any wrong manner or sense. I'm not sure, but this is not easy money. That's not anything less. Again, I have to pay import taxes and all that. This is going to be quite a bit of money. All right. Um, these are dreams that should be in your mind, end goals, right? Your process is going to be longer. In order to go through all this hardship, you need that carrot. That's way up there. It's fine. It doesn't have, and the important thing is it shouldn't be small. Your dreams should be. It's like Elon Musk, bro. You want to go to Mars. You want to colonize Mars. That won't happen today or tomorrow. Eventually, it will. That's a dream right there. Dream so big that other people will call you crazy, man. They'll be like, this guy is bonkers. He's talking about a car which is 3 crores in value, maybe 5, 6 crores with AMG. That's insane for my family and for the other people who don't know the amount of hard work I'm doing, who don't know the work I'm willing to do in order to get there, right? They don't know that. I don't want to explain that to them, but you know the hard work you're putting in when you know what you're doing when no one's watching. Guys, now what, 200 people of you are watching? I'll be doing the same thing if none of you are here. Same executions, same trades. I'll push harder. I'll keep my discipline. I'll keep doing it. That's what I'm willing to do. I know that's what you're willing to do. Have those dreams. Hold on to your dreams. You'll get them. And Dr. Kumar showed his dream life. Me and Sherry were like, man, someday, one day, we'll get there. Right? That was in Discord. If you guys want to see it, see it. Challenge yourself. Everything is possible. There we go, man. That's how you do it. Sorry, man. I'm very passionate about these topics. I'm going on and on and on. I mean, let me go back to the comments, bro. God, what's go logic on screen farm? Okay. I'm also in buy side. That's awesome, bro. Actually, it's true. People don't understand trader. 100%. They don't do it. The parents are right as well. Trading is not for everyone. 90 people are losing money right now. Frankie, bro, that's true, man. They might be right, but they don't know us, right? They don't know me. They don't know what the hell I'm willing to do. Man, I'm willing to go back to, doing Uber Eats. I used to do Uber Eats as a student back in Canada. I'm willing to go back to it. If that's what it takes to be successful in trading. Is everyone willing to do that? To have a part-time job as well as trade full-time. And, if it gets to us, man, I will not blink an eye. I'll take my bicycle. I used to do Uber Eats in bicycle in freaking Canada in minus 29 degrees, minus 29. I'm willing to do it again. That's what I'm willing to do. But Is everyone willing to do that? Is everyone willing to go the extra mile and to do whatever it takes to goddamn make it in trading? That's the question, right? It's a question of hunger, man. How hungry are you? Are you are you willing to do it? Are you willing to take all the criticism and keep going? Willing to take all the hits and keep going? That's the question, right? Not a lot of people understand that. Um, I'm Ryan from Kenya. I like your mentor. Thank you, man. You like what you see. I'm glad you do, man. Guys, if you don't have that drive, bro, it's gonna be very hard, man. Bro, I'm a good trader, but I see one single negative. I'm in P&L. I blow my account. I don't know why. Now I'm getting frick's sake. Now I'm getting the alert. I don't know. Like yesterday, even the first alert didn't come through. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. The cross that you see right here, that's the alert. Man, 6:30 did not disappoint this time. Okay, 6:30, let us be. It actually made that wick right there, but man, it let us be, bro. It didn't go to stop loss. I'm very happy about it. All right, plan a trade at 5:30 Ash. 5:30 Ash? What was 5:30 Ash? I did plan the trade at 5:30 Ash, right? So listen, hold on. This this was 5:30. 5:30, I couldn't get the entry because there's another zone to the left. Can you see this? Valid, good question. I'm glad that you asked it. So this is an Ash. I did explain this when we got in. That's an ash, but there's another ash zone towards the upside, so to the left. So 445. Both of those zones were tapped together. And that's why I only consider this ash zone, okay? I won't consider the zone that was already tapped. I only consider the one that is recently tapped, okay? I hope that's clear. Guys, the most recent zone that gets tapped is the one that you're worried about, all right? You can add enough examples when you make videos on Ash and stop ons. John, bro, definitely, man. I'll put more examples to it, boys. Happy morning to all beautiful people. Praveen, bro, good morning, man. Yeah, bro, let's do it together. Let's make it. Bro, did you married? Yeah, man, I'm married, bro. I have a wife, man. She's not home, by the way. Prop are the best thing happens for a person who say trading is gambling. So small amount investment with discipline, you're gonna make it big and show them like Badriji. Absolutely. Absolutely. Guys, before 10 years, before 15 years, we didn't have this thing called prop firms. The thing that you can make unlimited money out of with small investment. Before, you need to have the whole money yourself in order to make that kind of money. Right now, guys, these prop firms together, they'll give you $2 million in funding. $2 million I'm talking about. That's something is generational money for me. 4 or 5 generational money for me. Okay. They'll give it to you if you have maybe 15, $20,000. That's it. That's the investment that you get to make, that you need to make in order to get your hands on $2 million worth of funding. So right now we're all fortunate, man. All 192 people are fortunate. Even all the other traders, globally are very fortunate to have this, to be living in this time frame. Um, you don't have to be, a person with a lot of money in order to make money in trading. Even if you have money to get a $5,000 account, take $1,000 profit from that account in 6 months, invest that $1,000 back in 200K accounts, keep doing this process until you get rich, right? You can start from a 5K account, man. That's all I'm trying to say. Challenge yourself, everything is possible. Exactly. I'm from Mississauga, Toronto, originally from Gujarat, Surat. Hey, man, I lived in Mississauga for a year, bro. Nice place, bro. Exactly. Dream big, dream. You will all, bro. You will make it, bro. Thank you, man. Big respect to you, bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah, bro. Talk about it. I also feel the same way. The same, bro. We're all in the same boat, my people. I know. That's why I feel so good to talk about all this to you people because majority of you guys are going through the same stuff. I controlled myself. Same stuff that I'm going through. Okay, it's all gonna work out, people. Your voice and accent exactly. Your voice and accent is exactly like trade like Berlin. I'm not sure who that is, but I'll definitely check it out. How long Badri been trading? Is she your student? Badri, I'm not sure how long she's been trading, but I'm pretty sure she should be trading for a while because she's been doing the right things, exactly the right things. Perfect execution, amazing control over the rules. I'm completely mind blown. Guys, yeah, she has a mentor. She's looking at my trades live. She's learning from me and all that. But I have to give a lot of credit to her to actually go through, to actually execute, to have the risk and to have the patience to take all the one is to threes that she's done with me, to be patient enough to do it in a 100K account and to get to the funding phase and get a takeout payout. That's discipline right there, boys. I'm not sure how long she's been doing it. You have to ask her, but I'm pretty sure she's been doing this for a while because she has everything figured out. She has the rice account figured out. Good trader, man. She is. Don't take her lightly, bro. She's a killer, man. Right there, bro. She's an absolute killer right there. Hi, bro. Good morning. Good morning, man. Yeah, man. I believe my obsession will help me get everything I want. Exactly, guys. Be obsessed, man. Be Man. I'm getting so much energy right now. You guys are amazing, bro. This is what I like to hear in the chat, bro. Burning desire for success. Let's go, Dr. Kumar. Exactly. Burning desire. There's it. I missed my entry. Can I enter now with this trade? No. Arun Kumar, bro, I just saw your message. Don't do it. It's gone, bro. It's gone. Bro, it's gone. Right now, the 3 on 3 trade is sitting at a what? It's sitting at a 1 is to 4, man. It tapped a 1 is to 5. Why do you wanna don't enter 3 on 3s or even stop on for that matter? The trade is gone, people. It's way out there, man. Forget about it. Years 100. Can you please show at least, guys? I'll Ghana. Let's go. Don't spam the chat, my brother. Yeah, man. I saw that. Yeah, bro. Thank you for joining from Ghana, man. Appreciate it. Can you please show at least one example for short sell just to understand the view? Thanks. Okay, I will. Valid request. I will give an example for a shot that I took. Okay, listen. I think this was yesterday. Are you talking about 3 on 3 or Ash? I'm sorry. You got to be very specific. Sorry, who was it? Rakshir? Bro, can you tell me if you want a stop, sorry, sell entry for Ash or 3 on 3? Because I was going to show you Ash or stop on for that matter, but you got to tell me which one, bro. You don't know Berlin? Oh my God, I'm unfollowing you. I no clue, man. You put it in, send that person's video in Discord, man. I'll check it out. I don't know who Berlin is, bro. Is Badri on YouTube? I don't know, man. She's on Discord, but I don't know who she is, bro. Good push up, bro. Bang. Nidhi, man, almost there, bro. Listen, when it gets to TP, bro, for TP is sit-ups, right? Bro, any reason you leave Canada and move back home? Bro, there were a few reasons, okay? Reason number one, I thought it was a machine life, okay? Yeah, I was making a hell lot of money in my corporate job, but my guys, I got to know my priorities when I went to Canada, man. When I went abroad, the mindset when I left India was, I'm going to be honest with you, okay? This is, as usual, this is my God's honest truth. When I left India back and then went to Canada to get to my, higher studies, PG, the thought process in my mind was, this is garbage. This is all sewage. I want to leave all this behind. I want to go there. I want to make something out of myself. Okay. But to be honest, guys, when I went there, when I saw what life was on the other side of that wire, when I was alone for majority of that period, life taught me that, listen, your priorities are different. You're not a guy who values money at the top level. For me, my priorities got straight. I got to know what my actual priorities were. I figured out that, yeah, my family comes above everything else because if something went sideways at home, it'll take me at least 30 hours to get here. 30 hours, 30 hours to get here. I have to go book a flight, take that flight, go through multiple layovers, and then get to Chennai. Okay. Within that 30 hours, anything can happen. That that feeling of, oh my God, my parents are getting older. If I'm not here if something happens, who's going to take care? And if it takes 30 hours to get back to my place, what are the consequences? Sorry, what are the consequences am I going to face? What would have happened if I was back home? Guys, that was bugging me way more than all the money that I was making. Okay. My priorities got straight. And I was like, the hell with all this thing. I want to go back to my roots, my priorities. My family is not more important than the goddamn money I'm making. Canada taught me that, man. I'm not saying it's a bad experience. That was amazing. It taught me a lot of things, but that wasn't me. In my core, that wasn't me. I just felt, nope, this is not it. I'm not a guy who, yeah, money is important, but that's not life. Man, without my family, I'm nothing. I'm literally down to a crumble, bro. I'm a nobody, man. I have no reason to live without my family, without my best friends. What's there to live, guys? Come on. So I just got my priorities straight. My head was actually plucked out and put it in the right direction. And I was like, okay, I need to get back to where I want to be. But I was there for 7 years. I figured out a way to go back. I figured out trading is the way to do it. I can't just go back, work for another corporate gig, 6 days a week, 12 to 15 hours a day. I'm not going to do it. So I decided, let's learn trading. Let's make more money than I actually make with my corporate job. I made it and I was like, this is the time I have to quit, go back, do it on my own, try to make it. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm happy that I made the decision. And I was very keen on getting married after coming to India because if I got married and if I got my wife there, if I had kids there in Canada, I'll have no other choice than to settle there because my kids would be accustomed to the Canadian culture. They will get used to the schooling there. They'll have their life there, right? So I can't just pluck them out from their own roots and then bring them to India. So I was like, if I'm going to get married, if I'm going to get settled, it's going to be in India. I'll get to, I should get to a point where I should have something of my own, something like trading, and then get back to India. That was the whole process and the thought process behind. I've had enough of this. Now I'm ready to stand on my own 2 feet, even without a corporate gig. Being a contractor might work out. I'm making way more money than the corporate gig. Let's go back. Okay. That's when I came back. Man, it's been rough. I'm not gonna lie. Man, the 3 years I've been here after coming back, it's not easy, man. But every second is gonna be worth it, bro. I'm happy that I did it. I'll do it again if I had the chance, right? I'm very happy that I did it, man. Berlin from Money Heist. Oh, yeah, I've watched Money Heist. Okay, now it makes sense. I thought you guys were talking about some other YouTuber, man. God. All right. Maybe both if you if that okay. Different as well. Sure, man. I'll show you both. Okay, let's finish this trade if you're okay with it because don't worry. Go on. Oh, I'll show it to you, man. Don't worry. Guys, this is a sell example. We took this, I think yesterday was it? Fourth. Yeah, yesterday. All right. That stop and zone price. This is the morning, mind you. Excuse me. Price goes violently, takes stop and zone. All right. People are thinking, oh my God, today's price is going to fly towards the long side. But this high was taken. That stop and zone was breached. Next was a valid candle towards the downside. That was a beautiful. So both of my confluences fit into that trade. I went in, stop loss 100 pips above either the breaking candle or the candle after, which has the high above the breaking candle. Okay. That was the idea. 1:3, guys. I was so satisfied with yesterday's trade because look at this. We got tapped barely. Trade reverses, man. My God, that was just glorious to see, people. And when we talk about the long, here you go. That stop and zone right there, man. This is just gold. I love gold, man. Stop it. I don't think we took it because this was in the evening. So look, another example to us a long side, that stop and zone right there. Price taps, that's a beautiful confirmation candle. Yeah, one, two. Yeah, both of my confluences actually hit. There you go. Long, stop loss 100 pips below. What are you looking for? You're looking for a beautiful 1:3. That's all you should look for. And eventually it got there, right? Somewhere there. Yeah, eventually it got there. So, guys, keep it simple. Follow the same rules. As long as you do, you're gonna take TPs, man. All right, those are two examples for you. I hope you understand that, man. Guys, I have a ton, I have a ton of these videos in YouTube. I'm gonna make a ton more. Don't worry about it. You'll have more examples to look at. Okay, it's just beginning, man. I'm getting back to YouTube after a month break. I have almost 40 videos to make. You know me, I'm a relentless bugger. I'm gonna keep doing it until people get tired of me, man. I'm from Vancouver. I'm feeling the same thing, bro. I totally get you, man. I totally understand you. I've been there for 7 years, bro. 7 years of my life I've spent abroad. Don't worry, man. Once you figure out what you need, what you want, and what's more important to you, you'll get back to that, bro. I hope you do. Oh, same here. My parents passed away last year. I visited 4 times a year. A stressful situation. I'm sorry for you. Um, I'll not wish that for my enemy. Um, whew, man, I don't want someone to go through that, man. I'm sorry for you, bro. Bro, can you please explain if funded accounts is good or investing or a normal account in expenses or other brokerage is good? Jason, bro, I'm sorry, man. I'm just seeing, excuse me, I'm seeing all your messages right now. Jason, bro, listen, have your own personal account, but when you're starting, if you're new, just have a funded account, bro. Try to understand the rules, try to know how this game is played. Keep playing this game so that you understand, you execute, you practice all that into funded accounts, 5K accounts, so you get used to all these rules. Once you understand trading, once you have the process, that's been put in, then you can move on to your personal account so that you don't blow all your money at one go, right? This will make your life a lot easier. But for all of you guys out there, excuse me, get funded accounts, get payouts, make your own personal accounts. Invest 50% of the payouts into your personal accounts, rest of the 50% into more funded accounts. Keep doing this until you get a good chunk of money in your both your funded account as well as your personal accounts, guys. Once you have that, man, if you even get a 1% return out of $1 million in funding, guys, that's $10,000, bro. $10,000 with 1%. Guys, my TP for a 3 on 3 with my usual risk, with just 0.4% of risk, I'm getting 1.2% per trade. Look at how many TPs we have got in the last 3 weeks. Look at that, the amount of TPs we've got in the last 3 weeks. Man, we're millionaires, bro. That's what I'm trying to tell you, people. All you need is the capital that you're looking for. Guys, we will get there, man. We will get there. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of a little bit of luck and time because we are doing the work. We are following through with the rules. Mark my words, people. Right now, we are at 2094 um, subs. We will get to a place where we'll get to 1 million people. People try to understand what we're trying to do here, the transparency and all that stuff. I'm not being cocky. I'm just saying down the road in 5 to 10 years, we will make it. Okay? Please follow the rules. Keep going. Live live timings is right down here, man. 5:30 to 8:45. Love marriage or arranged marriage? Bro, mine was an arranged marriage, man. 100% arranged marriage. I didn't know my wife 4 months before my wedding, bro. 4 months before. Bro, congrats for 2K subs. Thank you, man. Thank you. Uh, I want to go to UK. All the best, bro. Yesterday, I was watching some of your first video live. They had only a handful of views. Seeing where you are now, your growth has been truly remarkable. Prasad, bro, thank you so much, man. Guys, hard work pays off. Consistent hard work is going to pay off. Thank you for saying that, bro. Um, I'm very blessed to have, got the opportunity to do whatever I'm doing now. I'm very grateful to be given that opportunity, to meet a lot of you guys. Actually, a lot of you guys DM me. I'm very happy that you do. I get to meet different people in different stages of their trading and in life. Man, completely satisfied with my life right now, bro. 313 entered in 630 candle? No, bro, prior to that. Oh, you did? You entered that in 630 candle? Nice. Price went to 1 is to 4, right? Good for you, bro. How to calculate risk to reward, bro? RR? It's just simple, man. You just put this thing on, this long thing on. You can find it from here, right? Entry, and wherever your stop loss is, you put it there. And you see this 0.72, wherever, if you increase this, that's going to give you the risk to reward. See, risk to reward ratio equal to 1 is to 3, meaning you're risking $100, for example, you're going to be getting $300 in return. Okay, that's the meaning of it. This red zone is the stop loss, that green zone is the take profit. Simple, guys. What's the minimum ARA you take in every trade? Minimum ARA is 1 is to 3 for this one, 1 is to 100 for a 3 on 3 if it gives me. But there's no minimum I take for 3 on 3s. I just let it run for the whole day. Wherever it ends up, I'm happy to take it, bro. Your explanation of understanding priorities was excellent, bro, and a bit emotional for those who can't move back from for various reasons. Thank you, man. Guys, the guys I know back in Canada are still there, are still stuck there. You know, I had this conversation once when I got on a bus. Okay, random guy walks up to me. I was on my phone with my mom. I was talking in Tamil, my own language. He was also from where I was, Tamil Nadu. Randomly, he was, I think, in his 40s. Okay, he walks up to me. He goes, bro, in my own language, in Tamil. Okay, I'm going to translate it to you. He goes, bro, are you from Tamil Nadu? And I go, yeah, bro, I'm from Tamil Nadu. Nice to meet you. I'm Arvind. He goes, hi, bro. Bro, I don't know what he was thinking, what was going through his brain, man. His face wasn't bright, man. He was going through something. I don't know what that was. He was like, bro, I think his name was Sandeep or Dilshan, one of these two, okay? I don't remember exactly. He introduced himself. He goes, bro, can I ask you something if you don't mind? He goes, how long have you been here? I told my story. I was at that point, I was just 2 years in. I told him, yeah, I've been here for 2, 3 years, whatever that point was. He said, that's good, bro. He asked about what I was doing. Was going to, I think, my first job back then. I was still hustling two jobs at the same time. All that shenanigans was going on. He told his story, man. He said, Arvind, listen, bro, you feel like I've known you, you know, for a long time, and you feel like someone that I see some myself in. My God, I'm blabbering here. I see myself in you. I was you one day when I got to Canada. You know, the way you speak, I can see myself in you. Bro, what are you planning? I said, listen, my plan is to actually make some money, go back home. That's what I'm planning. He literally almost broke down, people. I could see his face going down. He was like, bro, initially that was also my plan. I came here, I was in a job, you know, I studied for a bit. I got a good corporate job. I was working. My plan was to make some money and go back. Bro, I got married. Okay. I brought my wife here. I have 3 kids now. All of them are growing up. Now I can't go back, bro. I'm stuck. Bro, you should have seen his face, man. I could still look, if I close my eyes, I can still see his face, bro. The the trap he was in, guys. That trap I will never forget in my life. He said, bro, I so badly want to go back because my mom passed away. I couldn't be there. My dad is getting older. Man, this is the worst thing that can happen to a person. It has happened to me. Hopefully, you will wake up, Arvind, before that. If you want to go back, man, go back as soon as you figure things out when it comes to your corporate job. Get a job back home. Just leave this country, man. If that's what you want, just do it ASAP because I don't want to go through the same things I have. Man, that stuck with me, bro. That story, that phase of his, that emotion that he was feeling at that point of time, man, I was like, the hell with all this. Once I figure this out, once I figure out a way to get back to my own place, I'm going to do it because I don't want to be that guy in his mid 40s going through, the demons of not being able to get back to his roots. Man, no way I was going to do that, bro. Bro, I thought that God sent him to me to tell that story because, guys, that was a random conversation on a bus, which should not have happened. I mean, wow, that was a powerful thing that happened to me, bro. I never forgot that moment. I'll never forget that day, bro. I don't know. I'm telling you random stories today, guys. Bear with me. Have you watched Odyssey? No, bro, Rajesh, bro, I haven't watched Odyssey, man. Have you guys watched it? Man, I don't like Christopher Nolan, bro. Freaking Tenet. My God, he killed me, man. Relax, bro. Vanakkam. Love the name, man. Relax. Market is crashing. Frankie, don't worry about the market, bro. It'll do whatever it wants to do. Eventually, it'll get where it wants to go, bro. Guys, there's two things that can happen. One is market goes to TP, you're up 1:3. And with both of these trades, if the other trade also goes to that area, I'm up 1:10. Okay. Example. If it goes to stop loss, I'm just losing 1:2. That's it. Right? When you're losing, your downside is 1:2. When you're winning, your upside is 1:10. That's how you have to look at it. That's when your brain will be like, it's just a stop loss, right? When you have that, bro, you won't have any emotions. All right, Arvind, bro, please, if you can explain the rules for Funding Pips platform, how to get the payouts. Jason, bro, Funding Pips is fairly simple, man. If you get a Flux account, you have to pass the account with 12%. You can fail the account with 12% minus, okay? In order to get a payout, bro, you have to make, I think, 3% minimum in that account, and you get 95% split once you do, or 85. Either one of these. For that to happen, my brother, follow the rules. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't be fearful. Don't be greedy. You'll make it, man. How old are you, bro? I'm 31, my brother. I'm 31. Stop on is working in opposite direction. Guys, once you're in your initial stop and trade, don't look at other stop and trades because your brain will start giving you 1,000 things to think about. Don't worry about anything else. Now, all you're looking and thinking about is, okay, whenever this trade goes to TP or stop loss, then and only then I'll look for other trades. Once you have that in your brain, bro, you'll be relaxed. Guys, the goal as a trader is to stay as relaxed as possible. Okay, that will give you the mindset to execute when the time comes. Other than that, guys, you're just chilling, you're just sitting there watching, watch a movie, watch a series, watch someone else trade, talk to someone else, be with your family, do whatever. Don't emotionalize trading, people. That's what I try to say. Don't put all your emotions into it. It'll make your life a living hell if you have the emotions when price is going with you and price is going against you. Right? All right. If someone just got into market now, you said the ash is gone, still apply at 6:45? If not, why? Oh, okay. Good question. Guys, listen. If you missed one entry, stop loss or ash, you have no other option than to trust the next ash or stop loss. Oh my God. Sorry, give me 1 second. I've been talking way too much this morning. I'm struggling a bit. Excuse me. Sorry, give me 1 second. I'm back. All right. Guys, if you miss an entry, don't worry. Look for the next ash or stop and entry and take it. Yeah, this was an entry right here. I would have taken a long here, not a short. Okay. See this? This zone I'm talking about. Can you guys see this? That's the zone. That's the end. Sorry, that's the tapping candle. That's the entry candle. That's a green right there. It actually fits in both of my confluences. That's it. I would have been long here. Stop loss 100 pips below the breaking candle. Yeah, I might have taken an SL. I'm not sure how big this is. Let's see. For example, it's going to be messy. Okay, hold on. 3, 2, 1, fire. Hold on. So that's 81.98. So 80 point. Yeah, I would have taken a stop loss there, but I would have taken that if I wasn't in this trade. Okay, guys, if you miss a trade, that's totally fine. Wait for the next trade to happen. Execute that trade with the same rules. Don't worry about this one. It's already gone. If you missed it, it's your mistake. Nobody else's, not the market's mistake. If you missed one, look for the next one. Get into the next one. All right? Don't worry about it. UK pound very strong. $1 equal to 350 PKR. Bro, that's good money to make, isn't it? There is no momentum in Bitcoin. Yeah, bro. If possible, can you add PDF soft copy of example of your strategy and pin in the description of the video in YouTube for reference? John, bro, valid request. I'll look at it. I do have examples. Guys, don't worry. Paul, bro, listen. I'm going to explain. That's another 313 coming in. So, guys, I'm going to explain every trade. Okay, listen, John, bro, I'll do you one better. Okay, without the examples, I will do you one better. Okay, you see all of these trades. I'm going to make videos, short videos on this. I'm going to explain everything I saw, why I entered, 90% of how I entered. Okay, and I'm going to make all of these videos. I'm sorry, I'm going to make a video on all these trades. All right, John, bro, I'll do you one better. Just wait for the next 10 days to happen. Every single day, you're going to see two shots come away from my channel. I'm a relentless guy, but I'll keep doing it, bro. So don't worry. I'll do you one better. There's no momentum in Bitcoin. Yeah, man. I agree. Bro, I can still enter a trade now. Nope. Don't do it. If you have it, show it. What do I have it? What do I have to show? I don't know what you're talking about. But exactly. I left Australia for Malaysia. See, guys, every single one has done it. It's not wrong to have done it. Okay. It's okay if you've left your country for something else. But if you feel in your core, not all people do, man. Guys, 95% of my friends, actually, the friends who I met who came after me to Canada are still there. People who came after me, 5, 6 years after me, are still in Canada. I left Canada, all right? Priorities are different. Some people like the lifestyle, some people like how it feels in Canada, less traffic, good temperatures in summer, good money, the lifestyle, and all that stuff, right? For them, it might work. They like it. They can stay there. For me, my priorities were different. I left the place. I came. Right now, I'm much more happier, thousand times much more happier when I was back there. So, if it fits your priorities, if you like it, do it, right? But figure out before you guys do it. So, for the friends who are still abroad, who want to come back to India or any other place for that matter, any other home country, figure out a way to go back. Don't just quit everything, just Arvind said so, and just leave to India or your hometown, okay? Figure out a way, figure out a job, figure out a profession, learn a skill, earn more money than what you're making right now, and then leave. Don't just jump without a parachute because your whole family is looking up to you, okay? Figure it out and then go. Don't just leave, okay? Don't up and leave. Don't do it. Badri is out of another trade. Let's go. Congrats. Man, she's doing it, bro. She's living it, man. There we go. 348, 624. So she made the right entry. Badri, congrats. Congrats. Let's go. I'm happy to see that. Another TP, another day, right? Let's go, people. I'm so happy when you guys make profit. I'm actually more happier when you guys make profit, man. And, it makes me feel so good because I am actually helping people in some way possible. That gives me more happiness than me getting the take profit myself. My God, this feels good. Man, my my college professor actually told me, bro, Arvind, why don't you become a teacher? I literally shrugged that off back then, saying, nah, I don't think I like it. But trust me, guys, I'm actually freaking loving this, bro. Love your perspective on life. Ali, man, thank you, bro. I think somebody has to hear this story again through you. Now, someday, somebody needs it, bro. Family is everything for us. Praveen, bro, thank you for saying that, man. Guys, if you take away everything from me, man, my car, my money, my house, my phone, which I love to my core, my laptop, everything, and you just leave my family with me, I'm the happiest guy on planet Earth, man. I could have never asked, yeah, my parents are not perfect. Yeah, my wife isn't perfect. Nobody is. I could have never asked for anything better. In terms of my family, in terms of my best friends, guys, I have a very tight circle, 3 or 4 people, that's it. Not even 3 or 4, just 2 or 3. Okay. Three to be exact. Those are the people I interact with on a daily basis. I'm actually making new friends with the community, but I only have 3 people from my prior life who I interact, who know what's happening, in my daily life. Those are the only people that I trust, and those are the only people that I actually actively interact with. Those guys are all teetotalers, okay? Are all hungry for life, okay? They want to do something with their life. They're looking forward to bigger goals, to things that are bigger than themselves, who value family. So, what I'm trying to say is those guys have the same exact perspective on life, on goals as me. I surround myself with these people. Okay. I don't associate. I'm not saying drinking is wrong or smoking is wrong. Don't get me wrong, guys. I'm saying be with someone who's like you, who's better than you, who's actually going towards something like you. My best friend is doing a full-time job. He's a manager in Cognizant. He's actually doing a full-time job as well as trading with me. Okay. He's doing much worse than me, man. For me, I'm blessed enough to do it full time, bro. He's actually working as well as trading. So look at how much these people are doing in my life. I get to look up to them and say, oh my God, my best friend is doing that. I'm not even doing 50% of what he is, but I'm trying to be better. I'm trying to be better to be close to him, right? Surround yourself with the right people, the right environment. Once you get that, man, guys, you can't choose your parents. I get that. But you can choose your friends. You can choose who you can be with, who you talk to on a daily basis. This community that I'm building right now, people, it's for you people. I don't see any negative talk in the community. I don't allow any negative talk in the community. Okay. I'm every message, every person that comes through, I'm a hawk. I'm looking at it. Okay. You guys, when you send a message, I'm right there looking at it. Okay. If you talk down to people, if I see some hate in the channel, in the community, man, I'm going to kick you out. There's no two cents about it. I won't ask you for a reason. I won't ask you for any explanation. I'm going to kick you out. Okay. I'm trying to create a community with traders who want to make it in life, who are like me, who want to become better, who want to be associated with other good people, positive vibes, and all that things, right? That's what we are trying to create here in this live, in this community. If you don't want to be that person, if you are a negative person who talks down to people, who hurts others' feelings, I'm sorry, man or woman, I'm going to kick you out. Okay. Always be with people who have higher standards, who have a good positive vibe to them. If you are in the right environment, you'll grow. Okay. I'm a big believer on that. Surround yourself with the right people. You'll get there. All right. Remember, people, your friends are going to decide your future. Choose them wisely. Guys, if you associate with bad things are going to happen to you. Guys, this is the best example I can give you. Anything and everything that happens to my best friend in his life, I'm going to be there for him, right? If he's not a good person, if he's into evil stuff, I have to be there for him because he's my friend. All right? Sometimes he will influence me, sometimes I'm going to influence him. So if that's a bad thing that I get influenced to, I'm going to lose my life, right? So always guys, if even if your friends get caught up in weird stuff, try to get them back. You don't get stuck into that, okay? Do the right things, choose your friends well. Man, if you have all those, bro, you're good, bro. I'm happy, man. I'm a very happy and a satis. The guy you see on camera is the guy I am. I'm a very happy guy, bro. So thank you, people, for being here. Means a lot to me. Appreciate it. My timings of live session is right here, 5:30 to 8:45. What is Ash means? Ash is aggressive stop ons, my boys and girls. This was the top-notch trade. So much manipulation. Abhishek, bro, thank you, man. We're getting there, my brother. We're getting there. If this 313 runs throughout this trade, I might pass my account today, guys. I've been waiting for this a long time. This might be the day. Watch out. In Discord, if I pass my account, we're celebrating. Boom. TP hit. You're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Bro, awesome trade. Thank you, man. What's your timing of live sessions? 5:30 a.m., bro. As soon as Tokyo starts. A bit late to your live. Can you please explain what the reason behind the trade? Bro, Sad, this is the ash zone I was waiting for. First candle took ash zone. Second candle gave me the couple of confirmations I always look for. Entered on it. Stop loss 100 pips below the breaking candle. Waiting for 1:3 to happen. And there's also a 3-on-3 trade right in between. That's why you see that in 3D because there's two trades in this, man. You see this 3-1-3, that's the 3-on-3 trade right there. Price went, came back to supply, gave us the entry. I actually got in right here, but came back to give us the entry. Right now, price is at 1 is to 6 for the 3 on 3 entry. I think more than that. How much is it? Right now, it's at a 1 is to 6.6 risk to reward. Sweet trades, people. Sweet trades. Man, 3 on 3s doesn't always give, but when it gives, man, hopefully you have your bank account ready, bro. I'm so sorry. I truly connect with your words, but please give more concentration on trade related chat so that it can be more accurate on point. I'm sorry. Hope you understand. Yeah, bro. Thanks, bro. I will. Sometimes, my passion comes out. I'm just pouring out all my passion onto the screen. That's I get, carried away. Man, it's all passion, right? I can't control myself sometimes, bro. I should be giving attention to the chat. Yeah, I got you, bro. Brother, you can make videos out of your experience, not just trading. You're a wise man. Man, bro, thank you so much. I will, bro. I will. Thank you. Bro, when you started funding pips, man, this account I've had for 3.5 months, I think. I'm in the second phase. I'll hopefully pass it today. Hopefully. Thank you. You're welcome. Keep the chat about your experience. There's nothing to see on the charts unless there is another trade. Sorry. Yeah, guys. TP almost there. There we go. Sherry, bro. Yeah, man. Almost. Almost. Think I should be friends with you. All the friends I use are spoiled. Jason, bro. Yeah, man. You're welcome to be my friend, bro. You can connect with me in Discord, man. I'm always I'm always happy to, have good friends. You know, I'm happy enough to connect with you people. I'm not going to name anyone because the other people are going to be pissed. Um, there are a lot of people I met because of the live sessions and the community. I'm very satisfied and happy because these people, they connect, they message me, they're happy, they are asking me questions, they're actually learning with me. I'm learning from them. I'm happy. I think friends with all my friends. Okay, to the core. Let me know how I can connect, bro. Just DM me in Discord, man, or just talk to me in Discord, bro. I'm pretty open, bro. I'm an open book for that matter. Keep the pearls of wisdom coming. There you go. I will, bro. Please, brother, give me a trade. I missed this one, guys. Patience, man. Patience. After this trade is done, I look for another trade. All right, Macha, how are you? Macha, I'm doing good, bro. Macha means you can call best friend. Macha means your sister's um, husband, literally. That's the literal, don't take the literal meaning, but macha means very good friend, very your mate. Okay, I'm good, macha. Bro, today you're full of energy, which is super. I'm loving it. Jai Shri Ram. Oh, sorry, Sir Ji. I am 42, learning a lot from you. Thank you, Patel Ji, my brother. You're welcome, and I'm really happy that I met you too, man. You're awesome, bro. I'd love to connect with you, bro. Um, I like you as a person, bro. Patel Ji, DM me, bro. Okay, guys. Usually I don't DM people because a lot of scammers out there are trying to talk to you people. So for that reason and that reason alone, I don't DM you people personally. But if you guys DM me, I'm going to talk to you no matter what. Okay, make sure you go through the chat, guys. When it comes to DMs, okay, you see this. This is me. Click it and talk to me. Okay, don't go through a random person through Discord. I'm not sure. There are a lot of scammers out there. Don't get scammed. Okay. Start warming up for the sit-ups. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Ah. Oh, okay. Legs, right? Okay. I should get to it. Bro, start journal sheet, please. Share. Yeah, bro. I have shared the journal, man. Once this goes to TP, I'll show you the journal. It's in Discord, man. I think it's in Start Adventure tab. When you go inside that, you'll see it. What is, guys, I'll get to each and every comment. Don't worry. All right. What is floating percent and funded? Floating percent. I'm not sure exactly which one you're referring to. I'm not sure what floating percent is, bro. Are you talking about floating stop loss? Is that or trailing stop loss? Is that what you mentioned, bro? Sorry, trailing drawdown. Ew, what am I thinking? Guys, almost there, man. Almost there. Let's go. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. That's it. Another TP, another day. Congrats to everyone who caught it. There we go. I got my email, bro. I got my email of Take Profit. See that? That's glory right there. That's 1:3. Caught live again. Again. We caught one yesterday. We caught one today. And there's another trade running. Remember, I haven't taken out both of my trades. One is running still. TP, how much did I take on that one? Um, Hold on. What happened? Positions, history. Guys, I'll show you, man. For those of you who are skeptical if Arvind is taking these trades or not, trust me, I am. That's the trade that's still running. It's running at 1,900 pips. That's the 313 entry we caught. Um, that's $360 right there running right now. And we caught $165 today. That's today's trade. It ran for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Let's share this. This is what I usually do. Uh, yeah, I can't do it from here. I have to do it through an app, right? So, guys, one TP done. One is running. That was 165, right? How much was it again? 165 plus 165. There we go. Guys, we're doing very good, man. We're doing very good. I'm gonna keep this running because I have a 3-on-3 open, right? I'll also look for other trades. For those of you who missed that one, don't worry, I'm right here. And also, I'm gonna go to break even on my 3-on-3 trade because it has crossed the 1:8 mark, I think. Yeah, it's crossed 1:8 mark. Right now, it's at 1:9 risk to reward. Actually, more than that. So I'll do it in front of you. That's the trade. It has crossed 1:9 mark. I'm gonna put this trade into break even. There you go. Risk free on that one because I usually don't take break evens. But if my 313s run over a 1:8, man, I don't like taking stop losses after going to a 1:8. That sucks. That hurts. So, so I'd rather just, you know, take a break even there. All right. Guys, I'm going to let this run for the whole day. If this goes to a 1:40, don't be surprised because that's the whole point. Yeah, now it's in almost a 1:10. Hopefully, this goes to a 1:40. All right. Guys, give me 1 second, man. Let me relax a bit. Too much of talking. My mom hasn't made me tea yet. I'm hungry. Whew. Oh my God, too many comments. I'm coming there. I'm coming there. I've seen many YouTube traders and max of them are scammers, but you're genuine, having mechanical approach, which is must. Anand, bro, thank you, man. Guys, yeah, I've seen a lot of scammers out there too. Have been scammed a lot of times. Speak of parents, it's tea time. Hello. Hello. 2 minutes. Guys, yeah, I forgot the sit-ups. Sherry, bro, I saw your message. I'll do the sit-ups, sit-ups, sit-ups. All right, all right. All right. Wait, one trade is running. This is for one trade, all right? Man, I should be stretching, bro, but I don't usually. I'm stiff right now, but let's do it. 15, right? 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's 15. That's victory right there. No, we are the only people I think who celebrate with sit-ups, man. We actually, you know, kill ourselves with celebrations. There we go. That's 60 plus 15 is 75. 75 sit-ups done. Let's go. Any new trades, bro? Joined late. Guys, this will be the next entry that I'll be looking for. That's a beautiful stop and zone up there. Okay. When price gets to this area, I'll be looking for a long only because I'm already in a long. I cannot take two trades in different directions. I'll be looking for longs. Okay. I'm ready to sit up low. Let's go. Ash didn't understand A meaning aggressive stop and zones. Iran, let's go, bro. What? We wish the number of sit-ups keeps getting higher and push-ups stays as is. Bro, my legs won't take it, bro, Sherry. Love you, bro. I record my last day's loss from the trade. Love you so much again. I wait for the next trade. For sure, man. Congrats, man. Done and dusted. Let's go. I finally enjoy listening to you talking about your experience. Life is not always about money. I learned so much about the trade as well as your experience. Please be you all the time. Joseph, bro, means a lot. I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. We'll make this leg day daily as its foundation is strong. Guys, I'm okay to do sit-ups, man. If that's how many TPs we take, I'm okay to do multiple sit-ups. Guys, I'm so happy that I did not miss that 3-on-3 just because my alert didn't come through. Man, this trade right now actually is running wild, bro. What is it right now? It has a 1 is to 10. It hit a 1 is to 10 already, man. I'm loving this. I hope this just continues towards the upside, guys. If price gets here, that'll be a 1 is to 13. Let's go. Let's keep going. All right. Let's celebrate with sit-ups. We are doing it. Brother, will be taking any more trades today? Yeah, man. I can take two more trades. Actually, I don't think 3-on-3 will give me another trade because the confluence will not suit. Right now, the confluence is gone. We've already taken an entry, but with stop hunt or ash, I'll definitely look for other entries, man. Don't worry, guys. Another trade is coming. Don't just leave because we completed this one. Other trades coming in. How do you have so much patience in the market? Whenever I take a trade, even a single candle points against my direction, I usually panic and exit instead of holding it. But listen, if you have taken the number of losses that I have, and if you've spent so much time in the markets that I have, you'll get used to it, right? Taking stop losses is fine. Feeling the way you feel right now is completely fine, bro. But you gotta go through that feeling to get through it. Okay? Walk through hell. You're already walking through it. Walk so much so that eventually it won't feel like hell. Okay? It won't feel like hell. You'll eventually get used to it. Don't worry, my brother. TP already hit. Yahoo! I'd really love to know how you've developed the patience to hold the trades. I said that 3-on-3 rest reward. Honestly, I really admire your discipline and patience. Thank you, man. Bro, TP stays so good. Yeah. Sit up time. Let's go. Yeah, my daddy, bro. TP tastes beautiful, man. I love TPs too, brother. Guys, we're doing good, man. We're doing very good. Um, I close my I closed too early, but thank you. Don't worry, guys. It's okay. If you're new here, you know the process after this. All right. I only wait for 1 is to 3's minimum. My 3-on-3 trades will run for the whole day. Even if I take a break even here, I'm happy with it because that gives the possibility of a 1 is to 30 or a 1 is to 50 right there, right? Making it run for the whole rest of the day gives unlimited possibility, guys. Rest of the session. Excuse me. Hi, sir. Hi. Shubha. Hi, bro. Okay. You great. Thank you, Philip. Felipe. Thank you, man. Actually speaking, you should do sit-ups when you get a loss. Right? That's what I thought too. Push-ups are way better for my upper body. Congrats, welcome. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Yes, good sit-ups roll. What time you wake up in the morning? 5 a.m. sharp. 5 a.m. Next trade, I'll give it to you when price gets here. Okay. All right, guys. Your discipline and patience definitely taught me discipline and patience. I appreciate you. Bro, I'm glad that. Oh, man, don't. Why? My best friend closed the trade because his account hit B, man. That's not the plan, bro. Come on. Man, I'm pissed with him. All right, guys, I'll go have, yeah, tea time. Exactly. I'll go have tea and come back. All right. If I get another trade, I'll come running. Okay. Be here. Don't go anywhere. My family's waiting downstairs. So tea time. All right. I'll put it in a different color so that people get to see this. There you go. Bro, I'm pissed with my best friend, man. I'm kidding. All right, guys. I'll be back after tea, okay? This is gonna run. Let it do whatever it's do. Bro, your smile, very, very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll be back, guys. Hold on to it. What's up, guys? I'm back early because I saw this happening. I'm not gonna miss a trade. Okay, you see this? I just wanted to tell you guys that we might get another trade here. That's Ash right there, people. For the good people who are listening, that's Ash right there. All right, I'm gonna have tea with you today because I'm not missing another trade ever. At least I'm trying. That's Ash. Okay. Um, this trade is still running. If I get a long here, I'll take it. All right. All right. Getting back. I'm lat, bro. Next trade, yeah, this will be the next trade, people. Once this zone gets, I'm going to take this off. No confusions. This will be the next trade. Once this gets breached, we'll take it. All right. You got a friend from Nigeria, bro. Man, thank you so much. I'm not sure if you're still here, bro, but uh, King STV, man, thank you, bro. I love you guys, man. 3-2-3, maybe, guys. The confluence of 3-3 won't be there because it's gone. Again, I told you there's another confluence that I look for. It's gone, bro. Cheers. I'm doing today's tea with you guys. Let's go. Come on. Get to the ash zone. Give me a trade. I think everyone took a 10-minute recess because I went for tea. Tea with TP. Let's go, Soumya. Exactly. Tea with TP. Let's go. This time it'll be, I think, a double TP. Let's get it. Bro, 4106 previous day high. Can we sell from there? Listen, guys, valid. This high is completely valid. Get this thing to your head. Don't think of highs and lows as selling or buying points. Okay? High, if you see a high, you shouldn't be thinking, am I selling from there? For you, all you should be thinking when it comes to stop hunts. So you guys know this. I trade stop hunts, right? Oops. So with stop hunts, you wait for price to tap the stop hunt zone, which is the high, and you wait to see what the next candle wants to do. Okay? Then you decide if you want to sell or buy. All right? Guys, it depends on how the candles want to react. And that's how you trade. Okay, don't just think one way. There's two possibilities to it. Okay, one of these things could happen. Either just reverse tap the zone and then reverse from there, or like this. So when price gets here, it could reverse from here, or it could just keep going. If you're a liquidity trader, if you're only looking for reversals, what happens if it just blows through, you know, the previous higher zone? Guys, always be careful, man. Boys, today market was literally taking our orders. Danny, bro, yeah, man. Lately, it has been taking orders from us because, man, I just love this. Yeah, we did. I did get a very bad day Monday, man. I got four stop losses Monday, but it's been good, bro. It's been good lately. I'm very happy with the markets, man. People say Tokyo sucks. People say, there's no volume, real volume there. It's not going to work out, man. I love Tokyo, bro. I absolutely love Tokyo. Bro, I saw your video first time and now the TP is hits. Congratulations. Where you from? Nabil, bro, thank you, man. Thank you for the congratulations. I'm from Chennai, bro. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, which is in India. Where are you from, bro? And welcome to the stream, man. Bro, your smile is very, very nice. Thank you. Thank you. I'm blushing now. I always don't know. I'm very bad at taking compliments. I don't know how to react majority of the times, but really appreciate it. Thank you for saying that. Cheers. All right, let's see what we get after this. First player, join Discord. Guys, welcome, welcome. Your positive energy is helping the take profit. Yeah, bro. You got to be positive, people, regardless of the outcome. Even if price goes, decides to go back from here towards break even, I will be positive still, right? My my energy doesn't have nothing to do with my environment. We create the energy, right? We will be creating throughout. If it helps it helps. If it doesn't, we'll still try to do it, right? I'm new to trading, not taking trades, just learning. What's entry criteria for next trade? You just said. Where can I learn? Where can I learn trading with you? Good question, Asad, bro. If you're new to trading, welcome to trading. I'm glad that you figured out, you stumbled down to my channel because you can ask me any questions. I'm pretty much open to questions in Discord as well as live. Um, if you're new, you're doing the perfect thing. You're just learning. You're not executing trades. But I would suggest you to just put mock trades on the TradingView platform, on TradingView. Just put mock trades and see what's what. Try to understand and learn a strategy and then execute the strategy. If you want to learn from me, man, you can join Discord. Hold on. You can join Discord, and I do have a course. It's up to you. Again, I don't like advertising this, but when you guys ask me a question, I will answer you. So that's an option too. It's completely up to you guys. I don't. I'm pretty open book, but I do look for a few confirmations when it comes to trading. I haven't disclosed that yet. 303 confluence is very, very critical and something that you have to be very careful about. Yeah, man. Man, it's so hard to not talk about my course when I'm trying not to. Please mark the low as ash zone. No, sir. If there is two candles here, two green candles, I'll mark that low. So right now, as you can see, two reds, right? There's just one green. This candle hasn't closed yet. Guys, always two candles. So this low to become an ash zone, I need that candle to close green. Does that make sense? I hope it does. Is it retesting or simple short trade? Right now, guys, as can you guys see this? Oh, hold on. I'm not looking at the right chart here. Hold on. Hold on. Guys, you know this. I'll be looking for my setups in futures chart, right? Be very careful on that. All right. This is running, but I have to get to futures chart. But that's where I do my analysis. I completely forgot about that. So this trade, I don't know where that's running from. Where is that running from? Somewhere up down here, man. Where is that trade running from, actually? Oh, God, I'm so bad at this. Okay. Next, this candle close. 5:55 a.m. candle close. Oh, there. All right. This is what this trade is doing. We will let it do whatever it wants to do. We'll keep it aside, all right? We're not going to focus on this, but listen, guys, this is done. We don't need that. So we have a couple of zones here. We got to be very careful on this. Pay attention, all right? That's ash zone that's been tapped. That's number one. You have stop on zone up here. This is futures chart, mind you. This is where I do my analysis, and this is where I look for confirmations when it comes to entries. Be very, very careful on where you do your analysis, okay? Stop hunt. So I'll take another trade for stop hunt because I can take two trades for it. First was a TP. Let's see if we can catch another TP. So right now, this ash zone has been tapped successfully, right? Ash. Okay. That the tap has occurred. Oops. Attention, people. All right. We have tapped successfully. We want to wait for the next 5-minute candle to tell us what to do. Why is this an ash zone? Two candles up, two candles down. We have a beautiful V forming. That's an ash zone. That's smaller stop on zones. Small stop on zones have four candles either way, bigger zones. Ash, smaller. Hope that's clear. All right. Price takes it. Wait for the next candle. If the next candle ends up like this, if let's say the next candle is like that, okay, if that's a green candle like this, I will not take any trades here. Why? Because this stop and zone was breached. Is that clear? But if the candle ends up like that, a green candle, a positive candle closing towards the upside without tapping that zone, I'm going long right here. Example, guys. Right there, stop loss 100 pips below this candle. So 54.6, 53.6. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. And what are we targeting? The usual. What is the three? Okay. Where is it? Something like that. Do you understand what I'm saying? So the first candle taps, second candle gives the confirmation, then and only then we look for it. What about a sell? You ask? Okay, I'll show you a sell. I'm asking myself, I can't see your chat because right now I'm locked in, okay? I'm not able to see the chat. Okay, so let's say, oh my God, come with me. So if this is a red candle like that, a strong closing red candle, something like that, right? My T is gonna go to, where is it? So let's say if that's a red candle, what am I doing? I should be looking for a sell, but I won't be because I'm already in long. I can't hedge it. I hope you understand that too. So as soon as that second candle closes, if I have my confirmations, I check for it. There are two confirmations I look for, the sauce, right? After that's there, short, 100 pips above the breaking candle, which is this one, will be the stop loss. So if it is the scenario, 60.6, again, guys, I'm not into any trades. I'm waiting for next 5 minutes. I'm just trying to explain what I'm looking at, what I do, how I do it, okay? So 60.6, 61.6. So 100 pip buffer, okay? And then I'm looking for a 1 to 3 towards the downside. You understand both the scenarios, people? It's fairly straightforward, man. As long as you understand that, you should be good with trading with me, man. Guys, this is not rocket science. This is not ICT. You don't have 100 things going on. It's simple price action trading. That's what you get with me. Man, that's tail, bro. Oh, God, that sucks. Yeah, it's not hot anymore. I'll have to keep it aside. See, look, this is what I was talking about. The next stop and zone has been breached. Okay, now I can't play with this as zone anymore. So now I wait for price to react from this as zone. That's what I was talking about, guys. These are the intricacies. If you want to follow my strategy, try to do it to the best of your ability with how I do it. How I do it is something that I've tested for 2 years and tested in the live markets. It's been working pretty decently, actually pretty well in the last 4 weeks. So if you want to follow, try not to just click sell and buy when I do. Try to understand what are the logical things I look for. Okay. When you do that, guys, I'm not going to be here next week. Okay. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm not here. My best friend is coming to Chennai. I'm going on a trip, a road trip, I think 2,800 kilometers and thereabouts. I'm going to drive. I'm going to be in my happy place. Okay. I won't be here next week. I think for a whole week. I'm not sure about this right now. I'm definitely leaving on the 11th morning. When is that? 11th morning, Tuesday. Correct. That's when I'm leaving. I'm most probably only coming back Friday evening or maybe Sunday morning. I have no clue, man. We plan on the go. All right. When I'm not here, try to follow the rules. Okay. And even then, you don't have the couple of confirmations that I do. Okay, that's fine. If not, that's why I ask you guys to learn it rather than just see me and put buy and sell. If you understand the strategy behind it, you can execute it this yourself. Okay, you don't need me for it. That's why I keep telling you, even if I'm not here, you guys should be able to do it. Correct? So, guys, be very careful. Without me, don't blow your accounts. Okay? And I just got the confirmation from my best friend that we're leaving Monday morning. So I won't be here for the whole damn week. He just texted me saying, bro, it's not Tuesday, it's Monday morning. God. Guys, I won't be here for the whole week. I hope you guys don't blow your accounts. If you just, copying my trades, please don't do it. Guys, this trade is running wild right now. The 313 we're already in is running, has run up to a 1 to Almost 13. Let's go. All right. Let's see. That's the stop and zone tap. I'll wait for the next 5 minute candle to close and then let's look for the next trade. All right. Man, so many comments, bro. I'm getting hard to, keep up. All right. When new entry will come? I think this is a new question. What would you do if in the middle of a trade in profit, a contrarian setup presents itself? Do you close your open setup? Do you ignore the setup? Do you hedge? Bro, I ignore the setup. Good question. Great question, to be honest. So as you guys can see, okay, I'll give you a live example. Okay. This morning, people, this was my first trade that showed up. Okay. I took it. This was the first 3 on 3 that showed up. As you guys can see, that's the entry stop loss. The TP was right here. You guys saw it live. We took it. Look at that. That's the next stop on zone right here. You see this? A stop on zone. Live examples, right? Stop on zone got hit. I got another trade here. If even that turned out, that was actually a buy, but if that turned out to be a sell, I don't care. I'm already in a trade. My trade hasn't run to stop loss or take profit yet. I'll wait for it to give me a decision. Either a take profit, either a stop loss. I don't care which one it is. Okay. As long as it goes to one of these areas, that is when I look for other trades. Other than that, man, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling with you guys, right? Even if I'm alone, I'm watching something good. I don't care what price does. I don't look for other trades. I don't look for other setups. I don't stress myself by looking at it and say, oh my God, that's happening right now. What if price reverses? That's an opposite setup. What is going to happen? Bro, that's literally killing yourself, right? I don't do it. Bro, why are people from South India so good at whatever they do? I mean, they're so focused, dedicated, and disciplined. I have a friend, she's also from South India. Perfect. Bro, I don't know, man. I don't know how they're like that, but I don't know how to answer this question, man. Guys, it depends on the people that you get to meet. Um, Even in South India, we have some lazy ass people that I language again. Apologies, lazy people that I know. People though they don't execute, they don't do anything. They don't do anything right for that matter. But we, I don't know, man. It depends on the person, bro. If you're driven, you're driven. If you don't care about life, you're not. I think it depends on the people you meet. You've met two highly driven people, I think. I'm glad that you met two people who represent South India. Um, I'm one of them. New entry, new entry is coming in the next 3.5 minutes, people. What is Ash Zone? Aggressive stop once, my brother. My God. I'm looking for a shot. Let's see, guys. I'm looking for a long here. Thanks, bro. TP hit. You're welcome, man. My goodness. Back to back, three profitable day Ash concept. Yes, sir. How you calculate pips? I do have an indicator that I use. I've given that in the course. Great. You comparing it to ICT. Damn. Bro, ICT traders out there, I'm not saying you're doing it wrong. I'm just saying there might be a better way to do it, right? Which side you're traveling, bro? I'm going to Kerala, and then I'm going to Karnataka, and then I'm coming back to Bangalore, and then I'm coming back to Chennai. That's going to be the whole next week. I think this ring is going to be 2,500 kilometers. Guys, my happy place is with my steering. Once I hold on to my steering, bro, I go to my happy place, man. I'm just floating on the clouds. All right, guys. Before I come back to your comments, let's take this entry. Hopefully, this is a long. Let's let's stack on another TP to this day. If that's happening, bro, I'm passing my account today, boys and girls. If that's happening, I'm definitely passing my account today. My account is already almost to break even, people. My God, this is good. Let's go. That's the second phase. So the 2.5 year journey would come to a beautiful end. Wait, hold on. The passing the account journey. Don't worry. It's going to continue prosperously. All right. I'm just going to focus here. I won't be able to see the chat. Give me 2 minutes. Let me just take this off so there's no confusions. That's the candle. All right. If there is a strong closure here, people, I'll take a long here. All right. Excuse me. So if it is a long setup, Again, if there's 1.5 minutes, stop hunt. This is the calculator I was telling you about. My best friend made it for me. So I will take the trade whenever that can ends. Stop loss will go below this. That's the lot size calculator that's happening real time. So yeah, let's see, guys. I want confirmations. I do have a couple of confirmations that I have. If I get it, I'll hop on along. If not, I'll look for other trades. And let's also be careful about any other zones to the left. Do we have any? Maybe up here. Yeah, this is alarming. We have other zones, but that's from way back there, boys. So I'm not going to care about that too much. It's from, that's another zone. Can you guys see this? This is another stop in right here, which wasn't claimed again. So these are the zones prior. Let's see, man. 40 seconds. If I get a good closure, I'll let you know. Don't jump the gun, okay? Right now, I won't take this. Right now, this is not the confirmations I'm looking for. There's 30 more seconds. Don't jump the gun. Guys, you need me for confirmations because I haven't given you guys the confirmations yet. Only two people know it. Hold on. 0.08. 10 seconds. 6. If it closes as is, I'll go in, okay? 3, 2, 1, buy. I'm in, boys. I'm into buys. There you go. Long right there. Stop loss is right here. We're looking for 1:3, all right? Hold on. I'm keeping my stop loss. I'll come back to you. 41.43. I mean, 101, 10.43. Guys, I have a feeling that today is the day, man. My gut is telling me today is the day that we do it. There you go. That's confirmation. That's entry right there. That's the third trade for today. TP would be right here. Looking for 1:3. I'm going full risk on this. I'm risking $100 on this one. If this goes to TP, bro, I'll almost pass my account. Almost. Guys, I think you've caught me on the right day. For those of you who are new, this is Arvind at full action, bro. There you go. Let's take this up. I'm coming back to the questions. Don't worry. I won't be able to see the comments right now. Guys, that trade is still running, all right? That's running. So we're in multiple trades right now. Hopefully this goes to TP. If it does, Arvind and Rangaswamy here will pass his account. Get ready for congratulations. All right. Coming back to the comments. All right, I should put my TP, right? Sorry, I forgot. 63. 63 into 3. What is 63 into 3? I need accuracy, people. 63 into 3. 189. So 189. There you go. That's one. All right. Oh. Guys, what a glorious day, man. What amazing trades we're catching today, bro. All right, I'll answer every question. All right, hold on. My start of live stream is at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Oh my God, what the hell is happening today? Freaking hell. Boys and girls, you're seeing history being made here. God damn. I waited this day for a long day. I waited this for this day for a long time. People, Right now, the 3-on-3 trade we caught is sitting at a 1:17. Let's go. Let's go. I'm so happy today, man. Look, I'll show you my account, people. Show you my account. Where is it? Let him come. Guys, my heartbeat is pumping so much today, man. Look, I'm almost at break even, guys. I got this account back from -8%. -8%. God damn. Man, I'm happy today, bro. So right now it's almost at break even. You can't, you didn't, you couldn't see it. I'm sorry. I'm just looking at the screen. You couldn't see that. Right now it's almost at break even. This account went back to -8% in losses. I half my risk to 50% than I usually take. Now I'm almost at break even. If this trade goes well, man, I'm passing my account today, man. That's a promise right there. Kindly tell me the time. Yeah, I did. Current account status almost there, boys. Almost there. Which is the best start? Either get funded account or own. Have both, my brothers. Please mention your TPSL entry on screen right there. What is your name, best friend? Arvindan Rangaswamy. Okay, you can call me Arvind. You are in. You bet. You bet. I'm in. Look. So there are actually three positions right now. The first one is this. That's running at almost $800. The next two positions are, I put in half because I was usually risking $50, right? And then I realized, oh my God, I need to risk the usual because I'm more than 50% in drawdown. I'm actually better. So those are the three positions that are running. This is the trade that we put after we put it in. Oh my God, look at that push. This is the original trade that's still running. Man, God is good to us, bro. Bro, Danny, we are having an amazing day, man. Printing money, let's go. And by the way, my best friend also entered the 3-on-3 where he exited, so he did not lose any profits. We are in. I was so sad that he exited that trade. What a legend. He actually popped back in. Man, I'm glad he did. Almost there, guys. Almost there. This is the day that I was looking forward to. Let's go. Brother, I doubled my account today in 30 days. Very happy today and thanks a lot. Most of it came from it today itself. Hardik, bro, you're welcome, man. Congrats. Congrats, everyone who held on to me. Congrats for believing in me because we did have a rough patch back then. We added Ash to the mix. Our life changed. Congrats to everyone who actually had the courage to learn, to execute, to be here, to listen to me all day yap, right? I know it takes a lot. I know I talk a bit, but I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help as many people as possible. Today has been one of the best streams in terms of profits. If the trade goes there, that's a 1:21 for 3-on-3. That's a 1:6 for the Ash and stop on strategy. Man, that's glory at its best. Another shooting star. Let's go. This candle's green closed with me after the market move upwards. Congrats, man. Congrats, guys. What a trade. I travel like a maniac, bro. If I get my car, man, if my best friend is here, bro, guys, you won't believe it. Before COVID, we took a vacation, me and my best friend. We took a vacation for I think 6 months. That was the original plan. I completed my course in Canada. I came back to India. He was in Singapore. He was actually working. He quit his job, the job he was in. He came back to India with me. All right. For 4 months, we drove, just driving around for 4 months. We drove 60,000 kilometers in 4 months. 60,000 kilometers in 4 months. That's when we saw whole of South India, some of Karnataka and all that stuff. But we also went to Mumbai. We didn't drive to Mumbai, but we went to Mumbai. Man, I drive like a maniac, bro. When it comes to traveling, man, I'm your guy, bro. That's amazing, Arvind. Thank you. Great, man. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you. Your travel next week, so will be no live. Guys, no live next week. For those of you who already know the secrets of my strategy, execute it. For those of you who don't, please try to learn from my videos. If not, just wait for me to come back. Don't blow your accounts without me. Stay put. Thank you. You're welcome. Welcome, people. Thank you so much for this easy strategy. We will survive where we're away by God's grace. God bless you. Hola, bro. You're welcome, man. I'm very happy for you guys. Right now, my account is well past break even point. I'm back, baby. Yo, we're doing good. Sent hiding. Thank you, man. Have you seen the Ajanta caves? Amazing. Yeah, bro, I have. To be honest, great, man. We've been there, man. You're the best, bro. I'm from Indonesia. Cheers to you, man. Thank you, guys. You're all the best. I love you all. SOS, so accurate. 400 pips. Let's go. You're too good, bro. What's your must-watch video to learn your strategy? I have a couple of playlists, my brother. Go to Start Adventure in Discord. Man, watch all the videos on my strategies. Guys, if you want to learn, put in the work, okay? For stop hunt, I've given 90% of all the setups that I use. 90% of everything that I look for is there free, okay? In my channel. Look for it, learn from it. I saw someone yesterday, I forgot the name. Someone actually was looking at it, was going through all the videos. Go through the videos, there's not too many. Learn the strategies. 90% of the strategies out there. I only, a couple of confirmations I haven't given it for free. That's fine. Stop hunt will work. 313, this, the initial trade that we took, which is running at a 1 to 19 right now, you can't trade it without me. There is a confirmation that you have to know in order to execute it. Okay. That might be the wild card, but when it comes to stop hunt and Ash, I've given you 95% of everything that you guys have to know. All right. Even if I'm not here, try doing the stop hunt and Ash strategy. If I'm here, I'll give you 3 on 3s. Okay. This is the protocol. I won't be here next week. Wait for me. In the meanwhile, practice Ash and stop ons and then execute it in live markets after you practice. Okay? Guys, almost there. That's another 1 to 3. Almost there, man. Let me show you. Almost. Almost there to TP. Let's see if we hit it. Whew. Can you enter again in Ash zone retracement or just instant entry? Guys, if it comes back, it's up to you to enter, but it's almost gone to TP, man. Why do you want to enter, bro? Come on. It's gone, bro. Guys, if you lose a trade, let it be. Wait for other trades to show up. Okay? If one is gone, it's gone, man. Just look at it fly, right? You have 1,000 trades, more than 1,000 trades in a year. Wait for it. Trade for it. Hold on. That's come on, buddy. Oh, that was so close. I'm still not out yet. My God, that was close. Hold on. Don't celebrate yet. Yes, it took TP, but I'm still not out yet. Okay? I'm still waiting for it. That was so close. No celebrations yet. Wait. Hold on. What a day. Yeah, Sherry, bro. What a day. This is what I was waiting for, man. I told you guys one day I'll catch a 3 on 3 that everyone will be pissed about. This is the day, man. That went to a 1 to 20 right there. Live. Live, man. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Bro, please live stream New York station. No, man, I'm not going to do it. You take, I know that I should take everyone's YOLO trades, but it's more than 50% up for me today. I'm a dinosaur. Yeah, but Arvind is my life's like Arvind is my lifestyle changer. God bless you, bro. Bro, thank you, man. Means a lot to me, bro. Thank you so much. You guys are very kind to me, man. You guys are always kind to me. I love it. I love every single one of you. Congrats to everyone who caught almost a 1 to 26 within one single day. Let's go. And man, I'm so freaking happy. Just close it. Nerve wracking. No, bro. Bro, I'm willing to take a break even here if it comes back to me. If not, let it go. Oh, even look, if it goes to TP, it goes. If it doesn't, F it, right? That's me. That's my own thing. But I'll definitely put it in break even because it took TP in paper. Okay. In paper, if I take TP 1 is to 3, if the spread doesn't hit me, then and only then I look for break evens with 3 on 3. Right now, it looks like it's going to tap us in. Hold on. Wait for it. Give it to me, buddy. Give it to me. This is my day, man. This is my day. We're doing this. He's not ready. He's not ready to give it to us today, man. Guys, again, that's not small. Okay. That's $172. That's another 172. So almost. Come on. He's teasing us, my boys. He's teasing us. Come on. That's $350 right there. Come on, get it to me. God's sakes. No need this much stubbornness. Bro, I'm the most stubborn guy you'll ever meet, man. When it comes to TPs and when it comes to my discipline, bro, I'll not touch that trade, bro. I'll not touch my TP. If it wants to hit me, it'll hit me. I'm a yeah, man, I'm a very hard guy when it comes to discipline. Guys, you go all in or you go home. That's me. I don't want you guys to, follow me to the T, but that's me in my core. I want that to take TP by itself. I won't touch it before it does. Okay. If it hits TP this candle, we're making almost $400 on that trade right there. All right. $400 on that trade. But it's teasing us like there's no tomorrow. Look at that. How close can a trade be? My God. Manoj bro is like, book it, bro. Don't do it. New entry. I'll give you guys a new entry. Don't worry. Man, come on. Get me, bro. It's looked like a World Cup final. India versus Pakistan final. I know. He's teasing me like there's no tomorrow, man. Look at this. Look at how close the price was. It's reversing from here. I love my life, my people. I love my life. But listen, there's no point in taking a stop loss there because there you go. Because price already took one. Oh, again? Come on, I thought I took it with that. Bro, it's playing with us, man. Oh, Venom, bro, book it. Manoj, bro, is like, do it. Don't take it. Take it out. Nah, man. Guys, you guys know me. I'm not going to book it. I'm going to keep it. If it comes back to me, I'm taking the break even. Okay? Guys, the reason why I'm being stubborn, because of this. Okay? Whatever I do here, if I close prematurely, bro, I'll start doing it over and over and over again. If you break your rules once, take it from me, all right? If you break your rules once, you're going to break it again and again and again. That is the start of your end, all right? Never, never break your own rules. Yeah, it took me for a 1 is to 3 right here. Yes, it went to TP. Perfect, congrats. But that's on paper. On paper does not work, man. For me, on paper does not work. I have to wait for my TPs with the original risk, with the original buffer. Okay. If I don't get that, I won't get out. Okay. That's the whole point of it. I need my full TPs on my account. Getting on paper is something else, man. It's easy to get on paper, bro. Anyone can get paper TPs. It should reflect in your account size, right? Always. Always. Bro, even if it's 1 pip, I won't do it. You guys know this, man. It's not ego, guys. Listen. Not ego at all. It's discipline. There's a huge difference between discipline and ego. Okay? Completely night and day difference between discipline and ego. Because you have a plan, the plan is sitting right there. The TP that you guys see, that's the plan. Okay? The plan is that once the plan is set, you work towards your plan. You don't touch your trades. I don't care if goes to break even. Again, zero emotions. When you give yourselves to emotions, people, that's when you'll start losing, man. Guys, I've made progress so far with my rules. I've never broken a rule in the last 6 months. I shouldn't say never, but I've I've tried 90% of the times not to break it. This is one of those rules. I will not manually close my trades. That's my rule. Okay. That helps me trade as a trader. These are principles that I hold on to. It's fine. I'm losing $400 here if it comes back to my break-even point. It's fine. But the next day it's going to help me. Okay. Every time I lose $10 or $20 by prematurely closing my trades, I'm going to lose way over than this $400 that I'm losing. Do you understand the mindset, people? Trading is not just TPs and stop losses, man. You got to take it to your brain. It's literally the discipline that you build over time. I hope you guys understand this, man. Please understand this. It is not TPs and stop loss. If that's the case, a lot of people will win in this game. That's not the case, people. That missed me by maybe a tick or two. You see this TP right there? That's me. That's been missed by a tick. I don't care. Arvind doesn't care. You get that? Bro, I'm getting gifts now. I'm getting samosas, man. Close it and start celebrating. See? Relax, bro. This is discipline. This you will help you in the long run. Exactly, bro. I love it. Whatever is wrong with you. Thank you, man. I waited whole day for your stream, bro. Thank you, man. I'm so glad that you guys are here. I'm so happy today, boys. You got to see the 1 is to 23 trade that's running live right now. Before 8 a.m., guys, this is the day I might pass my account. You got to see the trades that I took in order to get there, right? I am a disciplined guy that will show in the results eventually. Maybe this trade, maybe not today. Eventually. That's discipline right there, boys. I'm giving both 15 sit-ups and 15 push-ups right now, back to back. Let's go. That's TP celebration. Come on. Heck yeah, baby. First push-ups, man. Let's go. All right. Can you see me? I don't think you can see me. Hold on. I'm doing both today. All right? I'm doing both today. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, shit. My headset is... 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. What? Sit ups now? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Come on. This is the day that I've been waiting for so long. I'm the happiest. I'm the happiest damn guy on planet Earth. I'm gonna show you something. Hold on. Now, can you guys see the account balance? God, I'm winded. Can you guys see it? Hold on. Yeah, now you can see it. I'm back from the dead. I'm literally back from the dead. I was minus 8% on this account. Okay, minus 8. Discipline, people. You follow your discipline, follow your rules. Right now, I just need $800 to pass this account. I came back from minus $2,000 almost to right here, above break even. Okay, this is not done yet. Okay, this trade is not done yet. The 313 is still running. I don't care where this goes. Eventually, sorry, man, I'm winded. Right now, it's at a 1 is to 23. I'll let it go to the moon if it wants to, okay? If it wants to go, it's going. I'll only close this trade at 12:29 a.m. Sorry, 12:29 p.m. That's the end of Tokyo for me. If this comes back to break even, the hell with it. That's discipline right there for you people. I'm sorry, man. I'm over the moon. I'm freaking shaking right now with both the sit-ups and push-ups. Oh my God. Love you too, bro. 1 hour candle closing. Yeah, man. Great, sir. Thank you. Is this as on the price tapped into? Yes, sir. Whew. Congratulations, dear loving brother. Thank you, man. Thank you. Bro, ஒரு trade running இருக்கு. Yeah, man. Manoj, bro. தட்டி விடுங்க அவனை. Bro, 313 trade is still running. Don't get me wrong. You're the best. Thank you. You're pushing an army officer's son. You're punishing an army officer's son. Yeah, man. Yo, saying hi, man. Hey, bro. Hip hip hooray. Patel, bro, I hope you caught all that, man. That's the best trading day. That's the best trading live session for the past 2.5 months. Congrats to everyone who got it, man. Congrats, my brothers. We can reserve that energy for the next day, please. Guys, same energy every day. Maybe not next week. Next week I'm gone. The week after I'll be back, all right? New entry, guys, that's it. I won't take new entries after this. I'll see the trade running. We have taken 3 trades today, two take profits, and one is still in profit. That's it. I'm I like to pride myself being the most disciplined guy that I know, because you have to be better than yourself from yesterday. Today, I'm being better than yesterday. Okay. You guys saw it live. I don't take off my TPs. This is all I do. I'll keep doing it until I'm successful. I hope you guys come in this journey with me, because a lot of you have been traveling since day 1 or 2 of my live sessions. Congrats to the ones who have already caught this trade. Congrats to the guys who have been here for the long lot, carrying all the ones to threes that we have taken live. Thank you for being here. Thanks to all your support. Guys, I've got 198 likes this session, man. Amazing. That's the most likes I've ever got in a trading session. Truly amazing. Thank you for all the support, people. I love you all. If Trump says anything, it will lose, bro. I don't care if it comes down to break even after this. Bro, rules are rules, man. Congrats. Thank you. New entry. Nope. Whoa, the best. Woohoo, the best. Ashton, let's go. What a confidence you have. Thank you. Thank you. Congrats. Thank you. $28 from $3. Let's go. You risked three and you got 26. Awesome, man. Congrats, guys. Stop and I caught, then went for swimming, sir. Patel, Patel, bro, you're awesome, man. You swam this morning. I'm jealous of you. 3 on 3, 3 on 3 strategy payout trade. Yeah, man, I think this will be the payout trade for 3 on 3. Guys, listen, the 3 on 3 trade that's running right now in a 1 is to 21, okay? You want to see the dark side of it? I'll show you the dark side of it. Last month, you want to see how many stop losses I took to catch that one? 21 losses I took. I sat right here on this chair, took 21 stop losses, okay? Only 2 wins. Yeah, the thing that you see right now on the screen, okay? You have to understand how much I work for to get that. All right. That's what. Only 2 TPs. Can you guys see this? 1 is to 2 and a 1 is to 3. That's it. And we took a break even after a 1 is to 7. That doesn't count. All right. But guys, that's what it takes in order to catch a trade like that. It's not easy. It doesn't come every month. But when it comes, are you willing to catch it? Are you willing to take 21 stop losses? Do you have the marbles to do it? That's the question. Don't think that Arvind caught a 1 to 21 trade. He's the best trader on planet Earth. No, no. Try to understand the hardship behind it. Yeah, I did catch that today. It's running in 1 to 21. That's good. But what did it take to get there? 21 stop losses last month. You want to see the month prior? 13 stop losses and 3 TPs. Are you willing to hold on to that strategy? Take all these stop losses? That's the question you got to ask yourself. And without the confluence of mind, don't trade 3 on 3s, because you're going to get smacked in your face. It's a very unforgiving strategy, which is going to kick you to your teeth every single day. But eventually, it'll give you a 1 is to 40 or a 1 is to 50 for that matter. When that happens, you don't care how many stop losses you took. Your account is down to the moon. You're good. Okay. That's why I keep doing it. Guys, I trust my strategies. I'll die on these hills that I've built myself. That's what it takes. Yes, it went to a 1 is to 21 today. It has given me 21 stop losses prior. Okay, now I'm break even. God damn it. This is not profits. This is break even. That's why I let it run for the whole session. If it gives me a 1 is to 10 from here, that is pure profits. Do you understand what I'm saying? Understand what it takes to be a trader. Don't just, look at someone's profit and say, oh my God, he got lucky, he got a profit. No, this is not luck. This is preparation. This is discipline right here. Okay? Understand that fact. It doesn't happen in a day. It doesn't happen in a month. It's going to happen in a year. It's going to happen in 2 years. Your journey is yours. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. When people told me, Arvind, just leave 3 on 3 strategy aside, I was like, nah. I built that strategy from the ground up. I'm going to hold on to it until I die. Right there. That's proof that it should work. It will work. Right? I know, man. I'm being very emotional here, but guys, you got to understand there are a lot of fake people out there. They're going to sell you bullshit. Okay. They'll say, look, my screen is all green. I've taken all the green trades, but they'll never show you what this is. They'll never show you a journal, and they'll never show you how much losses they've taken. Not me. This is where I differentiate myself. I'm doing this live session to be different from all the scammers and fake people out there. You can call me on that because you can go back on every live session. You'll see all the data that correlates with it. Okay. Majority of these trades I've taken live with you people in the first 3 hours. Okay. I've been doing this for 2 months. Go back on every single live session. You'll see exactly these trades and these TPs. Okay. And the SLs that I've taken live. Guys, do not believe someone with this green screen. Trust someone when they're willing to show you the back end. All right. Only trust someone who's willing to show you the hits that they took. Last month with this strategy, I was down $790 with this 313 strategy. This trade alone, you want to see? I'll show it to you, man. This trade alone right now sits at $1,000. One trade. Ate the whole last month's stop losses. Right now, that trade is running at $1,000. I have no clue where this is going to run to at the end of the session. Yeah, it might come back to break even, or this is going to $5,000 in profit. Who knows? Are you willing to take the hits and keep moving forward? Tell me, man. Join my community, bro. If you're that guy who wants to keep going no matter what, who you want to look up to, who will do whatever it takes, who will not, you know, who will not get out of trades just because they saw a green candle or they're fearing that it's going to come down. Come, man. We have a community of almost what? 400 people now. You're welcome. You're welcome to the community. Talk to other traders like me. There are other traders who do this. Man, I've seen more disciplined traders like me, more than me in the community. Okay. So I hope you guys understand all this. This is not magic. This is not one time thing that's happening. This has been in the making for the last 6 months. Wrap your head around that. It won't happen in one day. I just want you to understand that fact. Oof, I get emotional sometimes. 3 strategy pivot. You're changing lives, man. Thank you, brother. You're welcome, bro. I hope you understand the psychology behind this, man. That's why I keep drilling the psychology into you people. The profits will eventually come. Stick with the rules. Rules are the important stuff. Do you guys understand that fact? It's my first time. Loved your discipline, man. Cheers. Vikas, bro. Thank you so much for saying that, man. I love you too, man. I love you all, boys and girls. How many months it took from minus 2000? It took me, I'll show you, I'll show you, I'll show you. Good question. Guys, I went to minus 50%. I have everything here, man. You don't have to, go back. See, right here on my journal, I say I'm 50% down. I got a very rough patch down here. All right. On that week, these 4 days alone, I was down $920. You see this? $920. Okay. I was down 50%. Discipline, people. Cut your risk into half because see, before I was taking trades with $100. Okay, so $100 for each trade. I cut my risk into half. I risked only $50 per trade. This is the comeback. This is the comeback story, my people. $822. I came back, and now these TPs are higher. I'll show you today's TP. Hold on. Now today I booked my this TP after coming back to 50% in drawdown. These TPs I took with $100. Sorry, $100, but it ended up being a bit little above. So we made close to $400 on this one. You see that? That's this morning. That's the second trade we took. 19 minutes. This is the last TP that we took. This one. Hold on. This trade. This trade that you see here. That's this trade. All right. I think we made almost close to $400 here. So guys, to answer the question, how many days it took me to come back, we'll count it. 13th of July, I was down more than 50%. Again, more than 50%, all right? And then I go, listen, it's not going to work out. We're going to come back again. You see all these negatives, man? This is 313 trades. He was kicking me on my teeth. Like, right? I got hit on my face, but I was still doing it. I didn't let go of my strategy. You never let go of your strategies. And actually, we added Ash to the mix. Ash came to our rescue. We started breaking even on those trades. So 100 minus, 100 minus. So 100 minus, 100 plus. I should have actually, toned down the risk on 3 on 3. That was a mistake, like I accepted earlier. And now, man, I'm back to normal risk. Look, from 13th of July, today's what? It took me 18, I think 18 days, give or take, to get back to break even. 18 days, that's it. Risking half of what I usually do. This is discipline. This is perseverance. If you want to stay in this game, if you want to make it to the long term, 211 people are here. I hope you all, every single one of you will make it in trading, but understand what it takes to make it. Okay? Not one day, not 2 days. I've had this account for almost 4 months. I'm still for yeah, I think 3 months. I've had this account, this two-step standard account for 3 goddamn months. I'm still haven't passed it yet. I'm in the second phase, struggling, but I'll never let my discipline go. Just because that trade was very close to TP, yeah, that's going to give me almost $400, which will change my account size forever. I'm not taking that trade off. That's discipline, right? Today, yeah, I got the TP eventually. If it didn't go, I would be completely satisfied if it came back to break even. But tomorrow, if I'm closing trades prematurely, it is going to add up. Every time, every pip, you're losing $1. Every 10 pips, $10 gone, right? Every time you do it, you're losing over a period of 6 months. You've lost $600 in TP alone because you said, yeah, it's almost there. Let's close it. Yeah, it's already just a pip away. Let's close it. These are the small things that will keep eating your profits. Guys, this is a lifestyle. This is what you've decided to do. Do the best that you can do. Hold on to your emotions. Tell your emotions to F off. You're not here to do emotional stuff, okay? You have a plan. Execute that plan. Stop loss is fixed. TP is fixed. Don't touch it. I'll never touch my stop loss in TP. If my trades with 313, the rule is this: if my trades close up to 12:29 p.m., so that's the last minute of Tokyo, I'll let it run until then. That's a fixed rule. I don't care where this goes to. If it comes back to break even, I don't care. The rule for that strategy is different. But with the stop and strategy, which as strategies, guys, I'll exit only at 1:3. Or if price, like you, how you guys saw it, if price took 1:3, but I haven't been hit due to spread, I'll put the trade in break even. Only then I'll go break even. Okay. TP hit in paper, but due to spread, it's not hit. No worries. I'll put the break even. I'll wait for it. If it goes to TP, fine with my spread, because every dollar you lose today, you're going to pay for it tomorrow. Okay. That's how I actually was losing for a long time, because I let my emotions take care of myself, take over my whole trading. I closed trades prematurely, lost a lot of dollars, while doing it. I I closed trades before trades going to stop losses. Eventually it went to TP without hitting the stop losses. This is how I used to lose. Learn from a guy who has lost more than 25 accounts. Don't do it. Never do it. Don't touch your stop loss. I dare you not to do it. Okay? You want to look up to someone? Come. I'm right here. I'm like David Goggins, bro. I'm a big fan of David Goggins, man. If discipline had a word to it, look for David Goggins. This is the legend that I'm talking about. David Goggins. The face of discipline is this dude right here. If you don't know who the heck that is, go look at him, bro. Learn from him. Read all the books. He has 2 books out. I'm not sure what the third book is. I have never seen this book. That's a workbook. Okay. I've read both of his books. Man, hardcore fan. Dr. Kumar sir told he actually met him in person. I'm freaking jealous. I'm envious. I'm all and I'm everything. Guys, learn discipline, get better in trading, make your life better. You're not just gonna change your life, man. You're gonna change your family's life. You might as well also change your friend's life who wants to do it, who has the discipline to do it with yourself. If you make it, guys, try to pull someone else with you. Okay? If you understand trading, if you're very profitable, if someone else wants to learn, teach them, right? If they're very, very serious, make them pay for it. Make them pay for it. Because only when they pay for it, even if it's your freaking family, only if they pay for it, they'll actually put their time and discipline into it. Okay? Make them pay for it. I'm gonna make my family members pay for my goddamn course. Trust me. I'm gonna make them pay, because when they pay with their hard earned money, that's when they'll give their time to it. That's when they'll give their discipline to it. Okay, that's when they'll try harder. They'll keep trying until they get it. If it's for free, no one's give a rat's behind. Don't give it for free. If you know something, if someone wants to learn, make them pay. When they pay, might not be a big amount for you because you're making good money with trading. For them, it's the best thing that you can do because you're learning, because they're learning with their own hard-earned money. It's not for free. They'll understand that fact. They'll actually appreciate you for that after a year or two because they invested not just money but time into it, right? My, I know I just wanted to drill this in because this day doesn't happen often. When it does happen, hold on to it, trust the process because these days are possible. We've got 3 TPs today, almost. 2 TPs already booked, third TP is on the way. If it does come, happy. If it doesn't, zero emotions. Live for these days. Sorry, live for these days, people. These days will come in your life. When it does comes, imagine if you got this day in $1 million in funding. Man, I'll give you an example, live example, okay? If you have $1 million in funding, if you're risking 0.5% of that, okay? $1 million, what is 1% for $1 million is what? $10,000, okay? 100,000, 10,000, 1%, yes. 0.5% is $5,000, all right? If you risk $5,000 on each of these trades right now, we already booked a 1 is to 6. This trade is running at a 1 is to 24, all right? Imagine 1 is to 6 plus 1 is to 24, that is 1 is to 30. 1 is to 30 into $5,000. What does it make? 30 into 5,000. That makes $150,000. Can you see that? $150,000 in one day. Will that change your family's life? Will that change your friend's life? Will that change your life? I'm pretty damn sure it will, man. This one day will. But to get to that height, you got to work your ass off. Okay? You got to work. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to come easy for you. You're going to have days wherein you don't want to live, okay? You're going to have those days, but these days are going to come. Keep working towards them, all right? All right, enough of yapping too much. I'll get back to the comments. Sorry for all this because I'm happy. I'm glad that you guys got to see this. After I answer the comments, I'll bugger off. Man, I'm very happy today, man. I'm happy for all of you. You guys are you guys are relentless, man. You keep coming to the live sessions, you keep showing up, you want to learn, you text me, you're doing the right things. All I'm trying to say is mentally do the right things. Get the discipline up, yeah? Do mention when you'll be on, off in the screen and return date as well. Guys, I'm off screen since next week, Monday. I'll be back the week after, okay? I'm taking a break. This is a well-deserved drive that I'm looking forward to, but that doesn't mean that I won't be trading. I'll be looking for stop and ash trades while driving. I'm gonna have my dad actually have the tablet or laptop in his hand. If I look for a trade, if I get a stop and zone or an ash zone hit, I'm gonna stop the car, take the trade, and then bugger off again. Because after that, my stop loss and TP is fixed, right? I don't have to worry about it, right? I'm going to drive after that. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to still trade. Sorry, I don't give out my trades in Discord. You just have to bear for that for a week. I'll be back eventually, all right, for a week. Which broker are you using? I'm using Funding Pips. This day was wonderful. Absolutely, Felipe, bro. I loved it too. Learn to work harder on yourself than on your job. Good for a good fortune. Bro, you have done it, man. Praveen, bro, thank you so much. Explain the trade. Guys, I've done it multiple times, man. Go back on the live session. I'm freaking exhausted after this day, bro. It's been amazing. It is 313, not Ash. Yes, sorry, guys. This one was 303. Both of these trades, one of that was Ash, one of that was Top Hunt. So, you guys, if you want to learn my strategy, go back in today's live session. I took 3 of my strategies on the same day. 3 of my strategies are in profit today. You learn my complete last 2 years in one single session on this day. Go back, watch this 3 hours again. You can put it into 1.5 speed and watch it again. Bro, class edipingla. I do have a course, man. If you wanna look at it, I don't take classes per se. Go to Discord. There is a course if you want to take it, bro. Dilip, you are a champ. Want to learn from you, please, guys. Come to Discord. You have a chance. It's not for everyone. Don't get me wrong. I don't advertise my course often. If you're gonna ask me a question, I'll definitely answer, but I don't advertise things like that, man. Arvind, just a doubt. How do you manage your financial? Sorry, only if you're comfortable as you're telling you haven't passed the account since 4 months. Samya, good question. I'm very blessed. Okay. I had a very good run with BTC and I do have a support system. Yes, guys, honest truth, with gold, I'm not profitable yet. This will be my first account. This will be my first payout after I make it. Okay. With gold, nope, $0 in. With BTC, he took care of me for a long time. Okay. And I do have a support system. I have amazing people in my life. When I need it, it's been taken care of. But thank God, haven't, got help from my family, but my best friend, he's God. So I do have a support system. I have profits from earlier. I had actually profits from earlier. When this comes in, this will be life-changing money. We will get there. I'm okay to say things out, man. I'm pretty sure my family is watching right now. Guys, yeah, I'm not wildly successful yet, but get this from me. I'm disciplined enough to get there. All right. Not today, not maybe tomorrow, maybe today a little bit, but eventually Arvind will get there. People are going to tell you that it's Arvind is an overnight success. People from my family don't believe him because you guys know you've seen the rut that I've been in 5 a.m. mornings for the last 10 years because I was working hard to get there. Okay. I know you're watching this to my wife and my mom. I know you're watching it. It's not today. It's not yesterday. It's been a while. Guys, I don't have any other jobs other than this, man. I'm a full time trader. I live or die by this. All right. Big fan, bro. Thank you, man. Don't talk too much. We got you. Guys, some people it's hard to get to. That's why I stress it so much because a lot of people don't understand the psychology part of it. Yeah, they understand greens. Yeah, they understand profits and losses. They don't understand what it takes up here to be profitable. Time to say sayonara, brother. Yeah, man. Yo, I just will say bye. Read all the comments and then they say sayonara. Don't worry. I missed the trade. I'm watching you. You're great, brother. Thank you, man. You're my psychologist. Let's go. I'm glad that I am. The 313 strategy working in Tokyo session. Yes, sir, it does. The post in Discord, bro. I will get to that, guys. I know I'll post these things in Discord. I'll post the analysis in Discord. If you're already on Discord, watch it there. Let me go freshen up. I'll have breakfast and I'll get to you. Okay. My mom is not home. My wife is not home. So I'm gonna make dosas. If you want dosas, come to my place. All right. Kindly send me your signal community. Guys, I don't do signals. I'll teach you how to fish. I won't give you the fish. Nope. No Telegram, nothing like that. Get to the community. There might be a course waiting for you, but if you're not willing to get it, I'm not going to give you signals, man. I'm not that guy. All right. I'm going to have withdrawal symptoms all week. I'm not sure. Sorry, I'm not alone at that. Cold turkey. Guys, I won't be here next week. I'm sorry, bro. You're going to be alone. I'm going to miss you guys too. So I'll be here, guys. It's next week. Okay. I'm going to be here for the next 2 days. So don't say your goodbyes already. And I'm going to come back. Don't write me off, man. This is not my last day. For God's sakes, I'll be back. What's your strategy on BTC? I used to trade it. I've stopped it. I'll let you guys know on the next session. My live timings is right here. I start when Tokyo starts. All right. Nandri, bro, for your psychology. Dilip, bro, you're welcome, man. Rich broker, funding pips. Gotta go. Yep. How to track your trades? Go back on all the live sessions. Scroll through it. Look at the trades in the last week. Sorry, last 3, 4 weeks. Very, very successful. My community has been godly happy because of the last 3 weeks. Very successful. Yeah, we did take hits when it comes to 3 on 3, but today, man, I'm very confident that today we might have something like this 25, a 1 is to 25 or a 1 is to 30 sitting right here after the end of the day. I'm not sure. I'm going to let it run. If it goes to 1 is to 40, I'm passing the account. If I pass the account, I'll tell you guys in Discord. All right. Right now, right now, as it stands, my account is sitting at I just need $1,000. Okay, this trade is running at what? How much? Already running at 1,000. If this trade goes to 1 to 40, I'm passing this account today. All right. Hope hope it does. If it doesn't, alive to do it another day. All right. All right, people. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. I know I wasn't very active on the chat today, I wanted to, give you a few pointers, give you a feelers on what it's going to take to be successful. Because the number of people I've seen quit after a few months, a number of people who actually DM me saying they have fought for 12 goddamn years and still are not profitable. I feel for you. I'm sorry that it took this long, but I'm glad that you haven't let go and you're still trying to learn. If you're that person, I'm here for you. Text me in Discord, text me in DM. I'll help you guys. I've been there. I don't want you guys to go through the same thing. This is Arvind and Rangasamy signing off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This was the best session ever. We've got 249 likes. We're up 2,235 subs. Thank you so much for all your support. I love each and every one of you. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye, man.